Morning. Hey, guys. Hey, Fired Up. Bright lighting. Good morning. Morning, guys. Hey, Joanne. Hey, Vale Fire. Nice to see you. Good morning. How's everyone feeling? Thursday, right? Good morning, Chaotic Night. Good morning, Cyprian. Dances with Dogs. Good morning, Nikki Snyder. Good morning, Chaotic Night. ASL. Good morning. Kingfish is in the house. Jacob's here early. Nice to see you. Javon, nice to see you. Good morning. Daniel. Johannes, nice to see you. Lemon Drop, nice to see you. Good morning, Mark Day. Nice to see you. Hey, Kingfish. Shorted at 82. LOL, feeling good. Let's go, Jacob. Here we go. Such a beautiful life. Good morning. ASL, good morning. Nice to see you. Thank you, Javon. Thank you, Dances with Dogs. Nice to see you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Solano Cruz, yo, you got my request. There we go. Am I following you now? Good morning, B-Dogs. Nice to see you. Such a beautiful life. Good morning. Cosmic Crypto, good morning, guys. Give him a follow. He is my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show. It is today at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come join us. Nico, good morning. Mark Day, hey Bullish, saying hello. This is Mark Kelly's better half. Good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here this morning. True Path Properties, thank you. Nerdy Man, good morning. Thank you. Keith, good morning. Yes, you are one of two people following my blank page. Solano, I am honored. I am honored you accepted that request. Nice to see you. Johnny B, nice to see you. Good morning, guys. How is everyone feeling this morning? Are we feeling bullish? Are we feeling bullish or are we feeling bearish? Good morning. Salty Dog is in the house. Good morning. Guys, 52 people in here. If you guys could each repost the stream one time, that would be another 53 people that get to see this live. Cosmic Crypto says he's bullish. Let's see what plays out today, right? Guys, if you haven't followed Cosmic, give him a follow. He is my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show. We do that show every Thursday. Lauren, thank you for the corgi. Solum Spartans in the house. Good morning. Who did I miss? I missed somebody. Formix, good music. Music is loud. How's that? Is that better? Mama B thing. J Toms, nice to see you this morning. Is that better? Better, King Mots? Is that all right? Mikey, good morning. Mama B thing, thank you. Nice to see you guys. Thank you for the gifts this morning. Late to my own funeral. Good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. 70 people in the live in 2 minutes. I think that's a new record. Thank you so much for being in here. Heavy Metal, good morning. Novik, we here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's happening. Bucko is in the house with the bouquet. Thank you so much. Mark Day, thank you for the league soccer ball. Mikey, thank you so much for the gifts for the populars. I appreciate you. Back up today. Guys, we have a bounce, right? But that bounce has to get up and above resistance. We don't do that. We're not going anywhere. Joe Cluxton, good morning. Test DNA, good morning. Mason Malone, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, if you would repost the stream, tap the likes, chat in the chat. Those are the things that followed you because of the music. Mason, thank you. If you're here because of the music, I'd love for you to stay because of the crypto, right? Good morning. Let's go, said Rude. Guys, thank you to my mods. Assistant, Rude Boy, Money Talk, the Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Sarah, Shauna, J-Heat, Cosmic Crypto, B-Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you for being my mods in here. You guys are fire. Every single morning. Rui, nice to see you. Thank you so much for filling up the house today, guys. Solum Spartan, thank you. He is one of my OGs, and he is in a very long, short trade that is killing it right now, right? XRP shorts printed more than going long on it from 35. Guys, look, right? We saw that dump yesterday. Are we gonna see that the same today? Half a K, we are cooked, maybe not. Good morning, George, nice to see ya. Alt dominance has got to be falling off. Alt's held for a while, but now it seems like the opposite. Guys, what did we say yesterday? Bitcoin dominance falls, right? If Bitcoin dominance falls and Bitcoin dumps out, very, very likely we will see dumping in the alts. Why? Because Bitcoin has to go sideways when the dominance is falling for us to actually be able to have an alt pump. And we don't have that right now, right? We are dumping out on Bitcoin, and therefore we are dumping out on the alt. Rachel, good morning. Nice to see you. We are almost there, says The Real Hope. Little gap band for you this morning. Nobody knows what's going to happen. JC, you are 150% right. Buenos dias, Skyman. Skyman is in the house giving us the liquidation levels and the volume profiles. He is a specialist in that. BB's handler, good morning. Where does the bounce need to get to show bullishness? Guys, where do we need to get to? We need to get up and over 74,362. We don't get up and over 74,362. You were right yesterday, Rachel, right? Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. I'm human, but I'm glad that a lot of people got to print yesterday. Good day, Tamper. Nice to see you. Guys, 115 people in the room in 5 minutes. You guys are killing it. Thank you so much for being in here. Thank you so much for reposting the live. That really, really helps. Good morning, Richard. Nice to see you. Retail is out, so we're going down. Guys, understand, the more we come down, the less retail is getting in, right? Good morning, Gilly. Nice to see you. Lim, thank you for following. My favorite person on this app. Thank you so much, Imad. Guys, we're going to get started on the chart, right? If you want to see alts, please drop them in the chat right now. Drop your alts in the chat. I'll pick a few from there. I'm also going to show you guys a few that I am looking at right now. I am sure Blake is going to be in here. We're going to get a Blake pick. Ibram, nice to see you. Good morning. She going to sell again. Kay Davies, let's go. She printed yesterday, WLD. Good morning. Oh, we can do WLD. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the business, right? I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being in here. Guys, I am not a financial advisor, right? Hype and Ondo. Yeah, we can do hype. Ondo. Cardano. What else are we seeing here? WorldCoin. Yeah, we'll take a look at that. Guys, Solana. Yep. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a wizard, right? I am just a human chick who likes to look at charts. That does not mean that I am right all the time, and you should never take advice from anyone on this app, financial advice, right? Ever. I have a backwards hat. I usually have a crop top on, right? They don't dress like that. So please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. You will get wrecked, right? Link and sweet. Yeah, we can do that. Totally a wizard, said Nerdy Man. I am not, guys. If you want to learn how to chart and to trade like me, right? Or like anyone else in this chat, if you are in my off TikTok group, my classes in this chat, please put a W in the chat. Guys, if you want to join that group in those classes, I am in there every single day teaching at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you do is go to the link in my bio. Click the link. Get into Skool. It's 7 days free right now. Come and join and see what you can learn in 7 days. It is risk-free, right? Please come and join. And if you guys are looking to pull money out of this market, whether we go up or down, that is the place to be, right? You can ask questions. You can unmic. You can talk to me in that group every single day and on Saturdays. Link in my bio. Second thing, I am an affiliate for Bitunix. Hey, there's the W's in the chat. Good morning, Uncle Aaron. Good morning, Wolf Attitude. Nice to see you. HBAR. Yeah, we can take a look at HBAR. Guys, I'm an affiliate for Bitunix. It is a non-KYC trading platform that you can leverage trade crypto, gold, silver, and crude on. If you are looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, please join with my code, Bullish Babe. You put that in the invitation code. Go to bitunix.com, put that in the invitation code, and guess what? You get a 20% bonus for deposit on anything over $100, up to a $400 bonus. Guys, that is a huge bonus. It is my primary exchange. I've traded there for 2.5 years, and we have our own personal rep. So if you're a leverage trader and you are in here every day watching me, that is a way that you can support my channel, is to actually try out Bitunix. If you don't like it, you don't like it, right? It is a very easy user interface, and I have had no problems with them in 2.5 years. Any chance you can take a look at Ton? Yeah. There's actually someone in my group that's trading Ton right now. Good morning, W. There we go. I did 125x yesterday, said Nerdy Man. Nerdy Man, congratulations. Guys, we celebrate the wins in here. Little wins, big wins, and it is okay to have losses. If you're a trader, you're going to have a ton of them, right? Trading is not about winning all the time. It is about winning more than you are losing, right? That is what we are looking at. Moon Girl. All right, Broke. This is the second time you've come in here and said Moon Girl. I am like the biggest bear on this app, right? So just so you know, I have been here for, I think, almost 6 months, and I have never been full Moon Girl, ever. Did a 300x short because of you. Thank you. HW, congratulations. Guys, let's put a W in the chat for all of the people that are winning. If you had a winning trade yesterday, go ahead and drop your percentage in the chat, whether you are long or short. Congratulations to all of you guys who are winning, right? That is what I'm here for. I'm here to help you guys. LOL Grifter, Tyler. Haters don't last long in this chat. I'm sorry, right? I've never scammed anybody, and there's no one in this chat saying it, and there's 155 people in here in 10 minutes. So just so you know, right? Thank you for coming in here. Hopefully you stay. Someone needs a hug. There we go. Oh my God, finally figured out how to do PIP so I can listen and still browse. There we go, right? Guys, I am here to teach you how to read the charts. Why? Because the charts have a map. They build us a map. If we can decipher the code to figuring out where they are going for the day, you can make money long or short. 3-minute, 12-minute hidden bearish divergence. Skyman, I think we came up to come down. 150%. I'm a loser. No, you're not. I will never show statements. Tyler Dennis, I don't do that on principle. So that's it. Sorry. I don't do that. And I don't trade live on here either. So I am here to show people how to read the charts. That's it. What they do and what they trade is their own business, right? If you want to learn how to chart and to trade, come into my Off TikTok group, right, guys? It's free for 7 days. Here we go. I'm a loser. B-Dogs, you're not a loser. It will go up tomorrow. I don't know about that. Right, guys? Let's get to the charts. If you could all, before we do that, John, Tamber, guys, thank you so much for the gifts. You guys know I donate those every single month. This month, they are still going to the young woman who has been diagnosed with colon cancer. That is where they are going. Thank you so much for allowing me to pass those gifts on. I appreciate you guys. Here we go. We're going to make myself small so we can make the charts big. And we are going to put baby in a corner. Why? So that we can see the charts. Whoa, I don't know what I just did. Hold on. There we go. All right. Here we go. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller. There we go. Thank you, Lady Long Term. She is the aunt of the person who we are giving those to. Chat is the P&L. Made $750 yesterday from this TA. Lauren, killing it. Congratulations. Thank you so much. If you turn the volume on your mic down, I'll give you a like. Oh, I love that. Guys, even if I turn that down, probably gonna hear me really loud, right? Because I yell on this stream. Spacey is sharing the live like a G. Thank you so much. Raminta, nice to see you. Chat is a P&L, made $750 yesterday. Guys, there it is, right? Lauren, congratulations. Nice job. Here we go, guys. We're gonna make I already made myself little. I already put baby in a corner. We're gonna get to the charts. Here we go. Lee, the trading coach, is in here. Guys, I just saw him pop in. He is a great creator, if that's really him. He is a great creator. He is general trading. He does not trade crypto. But I will say he has great trading psychology advice. If you guys don't follow him, he is one to follow for sure. And make the chart big. Did I not make the chart big? Wait, hold on a second. Did I make the chart big? There we go. You should be able to see it now. Hey, thanks so much. Thank you, Lee, for being in here. I appreciate you guys. I love his content. Although he's not crypto, he does a lot of good trading psychology content. We all go on the same exact journey in trading most of the time, right? We all do the same thing. We start out big. We wreck ourselves. Then we turn around. And then we make it a little bit at a time, guys. Trading is a journey. It is a long one, right? Good morning, T. Nice to see you. You're awesome. Keep smashing it. Thank you, Lee. Right? It is a journey, guys, right? And it is a long one. And a lot of people on this app like to tell you, Spacey, thank you, Bucko, thank you. There are a lot of people that like to tell you on this app that it is a short journey to a Lambo and a Rolex. Guess what? It's not, guys. It's not. It takes time. It took me 3.5 years to get where I am today, and I'm still not all there, right? Is there a gain button on the mic? Because it's clipping. I don't know what that means, late to my own funeral. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. There is a low, a mid, and a high. Can you tell me which one to switch? It was easy. If it was easy, then everyone would be rich. Guys, yeah. Solano, 150%. Right, guys? Let's get to the charts. Late to my own funeral. I don't have a gain button. Right? There is a low button, a mid, a high, and a rec button. I don't know which one of those. Put it to low. The mic or the low. That mic is huge. Scammer, it is. I know. It almost takes up half my face, right? Here we go, guys. Let's go to the charts. All right, here we go. Let's go to the charts. Late to my own funeral. I wish you were around here and you could show me what to do with my mic. Right? Can we do Soul and Sui today? Yeah, they're already on the list, actually. Here we go. Should I mic like this? Is that better? Is that better? Let's hope. Late to my own funeral. Is that better? Let's hope. You're going to show us. I am going to show you. I am going to show you. Here, guys, we're going to start off with Bitcoin, right? Here we go. We're going to start off with Bitcoin. We're going to start off on the 8-hour. Try it's great. Try it's great. Oh, thank you. It's great, I think is what you were trying to say. That may be better, guys. Let's see. Right, guys, we're going to start off on the 8-hour. Right, mic sounds better on the phone than the computer for some reason. Interesting. Guys, I always have sound problems. I suck at technology. Suck at it, right? The music is louder than your voice. All right, here we go. How's that? That better? Assistant, can you help me out? Is that better? Right? Swallow that mic, scammer. You're killing me. Killing me. Killing me. The music is louder than your voice. Hopefully that went away. Here we go, guys. We're going to go to the 8-hour. 8-hour right here. Here we go. 8-hour is still loud. The music's still loud, Guri. Guys, is the music still loud for you? I hate doing this. BTC looks bad. Yeah, it does. Is the music still too loud? No. Okay. Here we go, guys. Yes. No, yes. No, yes. Dance time. Music is loud. All right. Guys, hold on. Let's see if we can fix this. I don't, is that better? Better? Better, better, better? Your voice is I-95, loud in a good way. All right, guys, I'm hoping that that's better. Turn it up, says Mother of Dragons. There we go, right? I think it's all good. Won't please everyone all at once. There we go, sound check. Sorry, guys. If you're running in losses, we will not join your group. All right, guys, here we go. 8-hour. Actually, guys, I'm going to go up. Covers your face. I know it does. Scammer, I love that. Pump up the jams. Here we go, guys. Let's go to the 1 day. BB, can you launch the moon rocket already? Payush, I've tried. I can't do it, right? Here we go, guys. Here's the problem that we are dealing with right now, right? Here's the problem that we are dealing with right now. I'm going to show you, right? Turn off your voice, Lim. The haters, right? Here we go, guys. This is the problem that we're dealing with right now. Look at the monthly. The monthly, rolling over on the RSI, we are gapped. We are also flattening out on the Stokes. Not a good look, right? Not a good look. This is what is holding us down, right? This is what is holding us down. We are money flipping right now on the 3-week to the downside, right? We're money flipping to the downside on the 3-week right now. We have the monthly flattening out, and the RSI on the monthly is turning down. Not a good look. This is what is holding us down. So, you know, every time we pop up, what happens, guys? We keep coming down. It's because the higher time frames are weighting down on us, right? Good morning, ARC. Nice to see you. It's a lagging indicator. Symbos, I use a lot of indicators all at once, not just those, right? Here we go, guys. 3-week, rolling over, right? 2-week, rolling over. 1 week, heavily rolling over. Guys, this is what is happening. We are going to go over hype. Thursday, cosmically bullish show today. Yeah, it is, right? Here we go, guys. We are coming down on the weekly. Weekly, 2-week, 3-week, 4-week, all coming down at the same time. Guys, that is like, hey, Rusty, nice to see you. Market cap and fair and greed looking good. There we go. Yeah, looking good, but also low, right? Here we go. We got a fake little turn up earlier this morning. Looks like it's turning back down. You got it, ARC, right? Do you make a lot of money? I don't say that, but you can see from my TA, the TA probably reflects my trades, right? Thursday, yep, there we go. Zumba music, let's dance, Mother of Dragons. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We're going to go down to the 8-hour. Actually, we're going to go down to the daily. Guys, what are we dropping out of here? Everyone know, if 2-week money flow flips red, it will be all bad, says Skyman. Guys, you hear him? He's a G. He looks at the liquidity and the volume profiles, things that I don't necessarily use in my everyday charting. That is why we are a hive mind in here. Skyman, Farrell, Blake, ARC, they all help me in the charts every single day. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. If you haven't followed me yet, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. I have about 600, and you will never, ever be able to find me after this live. So please follow me right now. It is a safety thing, not a follower account thing. Here we go. Right? We are falling out of the daily bear flag. Guys, we slip this line right here. We are in trouble. Crypto on sale, D-Gens. There we go. She swallows it. Scammer, you're killing me. Right? We slip 62, 778. Where are we headed to? Guys, we are headed down. Here is the pole of the bear flag. This right here was where we broke out of the bear flag. Where does this lead us? 38K. Can't wait until the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, we're going. We're going there. 8 hour. Let's go to the 8 hour. J Toms, I have 1K bullish babe followers. That is bananas. I pull over a 6K every week working with insiders. I doubt it. Day trading rules change today. Fresh Wiley Cats ready with the crazy chop. Guys, Pharaoh Candles is in the house. Nice to see ya. Not going to see 38 Cosmic. We never say never in here, right? Here we go. 8 hours. What's happening on the 8 hour, guys? We are turning up on the 8 hour. Now, here is the important thing, right? It's about crypto manipulation and what's going on with the big players. You got it. She loved that comment, Scammer. You're killing me. You're killing me. All right, here we go. We are turned up on the 8 hour. This looks like we want to get a little bit of a bump. Can we? Yes, we can, but where do we have to go? Trip Daddy, Jessica Pennington, Raminta, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Aloha, Fibonacci. Nice to see you. Here we go. This is important, guys. If we flip up and we curve up, where do we have to get up and above? First, we have to get up and above 64,854. We don't get up and above that, guys. We're just building a bear flag to come down, right? We don't get up there. We cannot get up here at 66,602, and we cannot get up here at 67,330. See what is happening here? Matt, thank you. Nice to see you. See what is happening here, guys? We are building massive resistance above our head, and the buyers are exhausted. They are exhausted. And even though these time frames want to flip up, until we get those bigger time frames to start curving, we're a problem, right? Here we go. Good morning, Matt. Nice to see you. Here we go. We need to get up and above here, 64,854. Right here, 66,456. Right here, 67,476 and 68,8. We don't get above 68,8, guys, it's a problem. And we're coming back down. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. We need to work our way through the time frames. Why do we do that? Because every single time frame works into what is happening in the charts. Pharaoh, what are you seeing right now? Trip Daddy, thank you. The assistant, thank you. Matt, thank you. Guys, thank you so much for sharing the live, for clicking the likes, for following me, for talking in the chat. Crude and DXY bear flags, VIX bullish, metals yields up, repositioning money flow into tech. Guys, we may have a pop-up here. Ka-ching, red candles are just easier. Let's see what's happening. Matt, thanks for sharing the live. Here we go. We do have a bump up here, guys, right? We are bumping up on the 8 hour. We're curving up on the 8 hour, and we're curving up on the 4 hour. Blake is in the house. He told me there was going to be a pop today. Guess what? He's the wizard today, right? Here we go. What are you yapping about, Scammer? Mike Bustamante. Are you calling me a scammer? Chop should be exquisite. There we go. We're retesting the 200 WMA 63,189 over and over. The strongest support ever. Here we go, guys. Where do we have to get above right now? 64,854. We blow through that. We know what the next level is. It is right here. What I'm saying is if we do not get up, bullish, 2 shots of coffee. There we go. Algo vaulting up 5%. Let's go. Let's go. Hold on one second, guys. Excuse me. All right. Here we go. Excuse me. This cold is kicking my butt, right? This cold is kicking my butt. Slept in evidently. Guys, here we go, right? Oh, gosh, I lost my music. Guys, technical difficulties this morning. We have to have one day each week that is like this, right? Otherwise, it is not a complete bullish babe stream. So here we go. Let's take a look, right? If we get up here, now, guys, there are 2 options here. We either power through this level right here at 64,927. right? This is the both sides exhausted setup. Did the others mark emotional bottoms and cycles? Possibly. Has she been over XRP yet? No, I have not. Guys, 179 people in the chat, 10K likes. Tap your screen, share it out. Thank you so much. ARB breaking out, XLM change, BTC twerking upside, Pice matching ARB. Guys, let's see if we see this pop actually going. Here we go. First level to the upside, we need to break 64,927. Now, I will say this. We are either going to break this level and this level and this level, or we are coming down, and here's why, right? We can break those levels, guys, and there are two patterns that I see in here, one bullish, one bearish. You guys know I always give you the bullish and the bearish case. It doesn't matter, right? Here we go. This looks like a bear flag to me. If the lower time frames start rolling over, right, there's a very good chance that we're going to roll over here. However, the bear flag right here would bring us down here, guys. Right? Here's a bearish case, 59,535. We get up and over these levels right here. Guess what I see here? There is also a possible inverted head and shoulders here. D. Hardy, nice to see you. There's a possible inverted head and shoulders here, guys. It's slanted, but there is one. It is a shoulder. This would be the head, and we would create a right shoulder. If we do that, the bullish case is that we break up from here. What we need to see is the lower time frames. XRP ready to break out at the break point. We're going to go to XRP right after this, right? Here we go. We break out of this, guys. It breaks us up to that level at 68.8 or 69,000. All right? Here we go. 4 hour is breaking up to the upside. We know that the 8 hour has a break to the upside as well. However, the higher time frames are coming down. Recovery time, LFG. Blake, you think this is a full recovery or just a recovery for a little bit, right? I'm thinking just for a little bit, even if it is one. Here we go. We are rolling down to the 1 hour now. What is the 1 hour doing, guys? We're slumping over on the 1 hour. Now, we do see a double bottom here, right? We can break up and out. Chelsea is closet bullish, LMAO. I am bullish long-term, guys. I'm bearish midterm, and I'm bullish or bearish based on the day, right? Every day is different in the charts. We have to flip and pivot. That is what we do as traders. If you guys haven't followed me, please do follow me directly from the live right now. Otherwise, you will get scammers that will scam you in your DMs, right? Do you do a 2-week out on XRP? No, not usually, George. I can take a 2-week look. Order flow signals bearish continuation, not enough new buy capital. Entering the market for reversal. Guys, that's what I'm saying, right? What Skyman just said is what I am saying. We don't, that's not nice bullish, babe. Triple bottom, zoom out. Triple bottom. Where do you see a triple bottom, Blake? I don't see a triple bottom. Here we go. Let's see. Let's take a look, guys. Yeah, don't do that. 2 weeks out is insane. The only reason why I look at the 2 weeks, Farrell, is because if the 2 week, the 3 week, and the 4 week are all pointed down, then that usually means that it's pushing down on us, right? Zoom way out. Are you talking daily, Blake? You talking daily? Yeah, there is a little bit of a triple bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there is a little bit of a triple bottom here, guys. And we are getting curvature on the daily. It is whether or not the lower time frames can actually break us up and out, right? And that's what we're going to take a look at today. Blake, I see you. I see you, Blake, right? I see you. Here we go, guys. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Here are our 2 levels. I'm going to speed through. Backwards. Sure, do that all day. 2 weeks forward, I thought, oh, no. I'm sorry, Farrell. Hey, T-Money. Nice to see you. Guys, I go from the higher time frames. Right now, I'm even looking at the 4 week, 4 week, 3 week, 2 week, 1 week, right? 3 day, 2 day, 1 day. That is what we do. Fred is in the house, guys. Give him a follow. He is probably the funniest person on this app. He's hilarious. Nice to see you, Fred. What the hell is this scammer saying? These comments, crypto charts 1. I'm guessing you're a bot, right? If you have a number at the end of your name, usually a bot. But thank you for coming in here today. I appreciate you. I love the haters just as much as I love the lovers. So nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Right? 4 hour. Still looking up. What is the 1 hour doing? Guys, the 1 hour has a cloud around the Stokes. What do we say in here when the 1 hour or when any time frame has a cloud around the Stokes and the RSI is trying to flip to the downside? Good morning, Eric Watson. Nice to see you. Whatever we see here, right, This is usually telling us there is weakness. Chelsea, there's a guy named Scammer in here. That's what everyone is talking about. He's blabbering. I'm sorry. You are cool. Thanks, George. Selling pressure is being caused more by spot selling than by leverage shorts. Memory drive is officially in danger of breaking. Parabolic math is getting serious. There we go, Farrell. Right? Farrell, Skyman, ARC, Blake, thank you so much. Fully engulfed. Yeah. Blake, I see that. We could have a bump up, but what I'm saying is this, right? This looks like it's weakening to me. I have to go down to the lower time frames, but right now, the 1 hour is looking like it's slumping over. Is the 30-minute and the 45-minute. And long liquidations, says Skyman. Here we go, guys. We have a money flip to the upside. We do have a bull flag right here. Guys, we've got a little bit of a bull flag on the 45-minute. 45-minute is trying to push up on us right now. Here we go. Guys, be careful trading right here. Right? Does yelling make someone right? Visions, heck no, it doesn't. Right? It makes someone passionate. Doesn't make someone right, but I like that comment. Right? Here we go, guys. We've got a bull flag on the 45-minute. Is this going to push up? What I can see by just eyeballing it is that it will only bring us to that line of resistance. Right? I'm on Blake's bull train. There we go. What we need to see here, guys, is we need to see a full pop up and over major resistance levels. We don't see that. We're coming down. And can we get there? Yes. I can flip bullish on the day. Yorkshire guy, D. Hardy, Trip Daddy, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Right? I can flip bullish as soon as we do. But right now, I don't know, right? We're getting high on the 45-minute. We're getting hot on the Stokes on the 45-minute, and the hourly is showing us some weakness. Now, we do have a bull flag here. Here's the pull. Here's the flag, right? We pop out of this bull flag. This is what I was talking about, guys. We pop out of that bull flag. It is only bringing us to 64,929, right? Liquidity is building at 64,279.49 million, says Skyman. Skyman, you're such a G. Rolling down the river after we got over this mini pump wave. That's what I think, right? That's what I think, guys. We, even the 45-minute is hot. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Sorry, crypto charts, you only get 3 strikes in here, right? You can say whatever you want, but once you start calling me a scammer, you're out. Sorry. Entire life. Bye. 45-minute is looking like we are exhausted. What is the 30-minute doing? 30-minute wants to pop us up and out of this, guys, right? 30-minute wants to pop us up and out. We've got aggressive curvature on the RSI. We've got actually, guys, 30-minute is rolling over to the downside on the Stokes. We've got an aggressive curve up to the upside. Guys, what I was going to say before I had to be rudely interrupted was this. Skyman liquidation calls are always on point. Reflex, you are 150% right. He is unbelievable. Him and Farrell and ARC and Blake, they all help me every single day, right? Here we go. Oh, he's not calling you a scammer. I just muted him for the entire life. Oh, God. Liquidity at 65,508. Let's go. Here we go, guys. I am saying we need to get up and over this level at 64,999. Guess what Skyman is saying? There's liquidity at 65,508. What does that mean, guys? I'll unmute him. Thank you. What does that mean, guys? That means I'm sorry that I muted you. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. Thank you for unmuting him. Crypto charts, I'm sorry. Thank you. I didn't realize what you were doing. Right? Guys, Skyman is saying there's liquidity at 65,508. Look at where that is, guys. Right at that level right there. They're going to grab that and probably come roll over. Why am I saying that? Because the 30-minute, she said to, exactly, I'm sorry. Blockchain Architects, Mag 7 specifically, has the money flow bullish for crypto, says Farrell. There we go, Farrell. Right? The bears think we're going to 35K. Bro, all you did was sweep the lows. Cosmic, you're killing me this morning. Right? You're killing me this morning. We had bear flag after bear flag. Right? They chop us today. This is why I'm saying, guys, 201 people in the room. Listen carefully. Right? This is not the place to trade right now. Right? This is not the place to trade right now. You need to wait to see if we get up and over resistance to take a long, or down below this support right here to take a short. Do not take it right here. You will get wrecked, right? Because they're going to chop us. I'm saying that. Skyman saying that. Farrell saying that. Please do not. Good morning, Miss Mel. Nice to see you. Right? But Lambo, said Blake. There's no Lambo here. Right? There's massive liquidity below 61 to 62. Guys, listen to Skyman. We still going to the 40s, Clint? I think so. NFA, but LOL. Guys, that is financial advice right there. I am not a financial advisor. This is financial advice. Do not take a trade right here. We are in the middle of a range. Do not take a trade, right? There's massive liquidity below 61 to 62. Guys, we got to listen to Skyman. They're opening to flood a brand new margin day traders. They bucked the Bronco, says Farrell. Here we go. We either break out of this bull flag to the upside. I want you guys, George on crypto is here. He is my rep for Bitunix. Guys, if you're looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on crude, crypto, and gold and silver, please do join Bitunix. If someone could pin my my code. Guys, I'm an affiliate on Bitunix. I've been trading there for 2.5 years. They are my primary exchange. We have George. He's our own rep there. You get a 20% bonus for joining with my code BullishBabe. Right? 20% on anything over $100 up to a $400 bonus. Thank you, George, for being in here. I appreciate you. Someone could pin that. That would be awesome. Guys, that supports my channel. If you're a leverage trader anyway, why not try out Bitunix? It is my favorite user interface of all of the exchanges. It is very easy to use. They're adding new things every single day. Go ahead and try it if you're a leverage trader. If you're not a leverage trader, do not join with my code. I do not want you to leverage trade until you know how to read charts, right? They leave them on the top of the all-time high tech drive. They want the FOMO trap hardcore. Be careful. Guys, be careful here, right? Farrell is saying it too. If you are a VIP trader on another platform, we can get you the same status on Bitunix. All you have to do is prove your trading volume, okay? All you have to do is join with my code, reach out to me, and let me know, all right? Thank you, George, for being here. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We break up on this bull flag. Here's the first level. I want you to yell at me in the chat. We're going to go to the alts today. Look at how fast we're speeding through this today. I love this. Algo, full breakout. Going for the high of the day. Guys, we got some outliers, right? Best damn advice you can give. No leverage trading until you learn. You got it, right? I feel we're going to end up topping that and then coming down to make that inverse head and shoulders like before. Let's go. Guys, here we go. Level to watch is up here at 64,930, right? We do have a double bottom here. We break up there. Very, very likely we're going to break the double bottom and we're going to go up to the upside. Here it is. I am not bullish or bearish heavily. I trade based on the day. Here we go. Here's one bottom. Here's the second bottom. We break out of this bull flag to the upside. We break this level at 64,791. Where are we going, guys? We're going here. Here we go. You measure this from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the bottom, and you drag this up. We break up this bull flag. We get up and over 64,998. Guys, we can get up here, up and over the next resistance at 66,995. If we do not, and we start slumping over, and the 15, the 7, the 5, they all look like they're rolling over. We are already hot on the 30-minute Stokes, right? Here we go. We are hot on the 15-minute. Guys, look at what's happening here. We are hot on the 15-minute. We are hot on the 30-minute. We're hot on the 45-minute. We know that the higher time frames are pressing down on us. What does that mean? This is probably a fake out to the upside. Watch yourselves, right? Here we go, 30-minute rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI. 15-minute doing the same. Let's check the 12-minute, right, Skyman? Oh, look at that. 12-minute rolling over to the downside. RSI 6 looking to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Guys, what did I just say? Very, very likely this is a pop up to pop us down. And what do I see right here? Here we go, right? What do I see right here, guys? Rising wedge, right? So we could pop up. However, this right here, rising wedge. Actually, it's a rising channel. Oh, no, it isn't. Here we go. There we go. Rising wedge, guys, right? If we are to come up here, you have to be very careful to watch the Stokes on the lower time frames, right? You don't watch the Stokes on the lower time frames, guys. You've got to watch the Stokes on the lower time frames. They are what tells you when we are reversing, right? Here we go. We're rolling over on the Stokes on the 12-minute. Are we doing that on the 7-minute too? We are aggressively coming down on the 12. Yeah, we are. Here we go, guys. 7-minute is coming down. We still have that bull flag to contend with, and I do see a little one in here right now, but I see a bear flag within the bull flag. There's a tiny little bear flag in here, guys. We break this level right here at 63,335. Guess what? We're coming down. However, Blake is saying there's a 3-minute flag. I think that's what I'm seeing from here, right? There is a 3-minute flag, guys. It's right here. We can break up in the 3-minute flag. That would break the bull flag up on this 15-minute, which would break the double bottom out. See how this all works, right? This is why we flip and adjust as the charts do. We do not know exactly where they're going, except for minute to minute, especially in this chop. Here we go, guys. Here's the pull. Here's the flag. This breaks us out of the rising wedge. We have a chance. However, we can come up here and bearishly retesting. That is coming for your stops. Spike return into the flag structure is coming through. XRP last. You guys hear Farrell? XRP last, guys. We're going to go to XRP in just a few minutes. Why are we going to go there? Because most likely, and I see some of the alts already dropping. Is that what you're seeing? Yeah, guys. I see some of the alts already dropping. Here are the levels, right? Show me the red. Oh, Money. Nice to see you guys. Give Money Talk a follow. She is a great creator, has a lot of information, tells us when the options expiries are, gives us the timing, and she works in the industry. Here we go, guys. Right? What are we doing here? Guys, Farrell told you it's coming for your stops, right? Here we go. Bull flag to the upside, I think, is a fake out, right? Near is not looking great and should be problematic to its compliance narrative. Guys, Near is not looking great. We can take a look at that too. I think this is a pop-up to pop us down. All right, here's the levels. We get up and over 65K. You guys yell at me in the chat. We got a bleeder, said William. There we go. Guys, we get up and over 65K in the chat. I want to hear yelling, right? We're going to go to XRP and some of the other alts, right? We went through Bitcoin pretty fast today. We have a bull flag looking to break us out. If we break out of that bull flag to the upside, we can break a double bottom to the upside, and therefore we can go to 66.9. We break that, that's great, right? We do have a little bump up on the 3-minute. And on the 5-minute, and we do have a bull flag. That breaks out, we can go up, but we need to break 65K. All right? 65K is the level to the upside. What is our level to the downside, guys? Level to the downside is right here. Oh, I don't know what I just did. There it is. Level to the downside is right here at 63,320. We break that, guys. We're breaking an M pattern right here, and we are breaking the rising wedge. Right? If we break the rising wedge, guess where it's going to take you to? Right back down to 62,582. And at that point, the mid time frames will have turned over. See how this works? Like I say every single day, the time frames are like a wave. They start way out in the ocean. The small time frames gain momentum to flip the mid and the high time frames. If they cannot gain enough momentum, we do not crash on the shore. Okay? That is how the time frames work. You need to watch the money flow through the time frames to see whether or not it can flip the mid time frames. Bears are setting up short positions. The 618 fib 74992, which is below the daily value area low. There we go, Skyman. There we go. Right? 64. Guess what, Skyman? What did you say? 64992. Look at this, guys. This is why we get the same levels. Right? Skyman is at 64,992. I'm at 64,986. Resistance. That pop up from that bull flag is leading you right to where a bunch of shorts are being placed, and it is major resistance. Right? There it is. Guys, if you want to come and learn this and learn how to chart and trade, the link is in my bio. It's 7 days free right now. Right? Come in and learn how to do this. And if you learn how to chart, you can learn how to trade. And if you learn how to trade, you can make money in this market every single day. Skyman, you're such a G. Farrell, I'm so glad you're in here this morning. Let us know if you see things changing. While I'm on the alts, let's go to XRP. Bears are waiting for the pullback right now. Guys, they are waiting for the pullback right now to get in. Right? Money, says Blake. Money, money, money. Let's go to XRP. Guys, yell at me if we breach 65 or if we breach 63,302. All right? Return soon. Bagman is in the house. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here. We've been missing you. Where have you been? Have you been trading? Is that what you've been doing? Let's go to XRP, guys. Here we go. Right? Farrell just said XRP is last. Here we go. Let's take a look at XRP. I do see a 7-minute bull flag in here, just like we do on Bitcoin, guys. It is right here. Is this a trap as well? Here we go. Here's the pull. Here's the flag. We're on the 7-minute. I'm going to go up to the higher time frames. However, If we're on this live, we are bleeding out. There we go. How do I join your class to learn how to read charts? George, you go to the link in my bio. If you want to come and learn, you go to the link in my bio. It's right under my picture. Guys, if you are in here for the first time, first of all, say hi to me in the chat. I'd love to shout you out. Second of all, I have 600 copycats on this app. Please follow me directly from the live right now. Click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. That way you will not get copycats when you look for me after the live. Right? It is the only safe way. This is my only account. I will never DM you first. I will never ask for money. I will never ask for your seed phrase, and I will never ask for you to join my classes through a DM. Okay? Thank you so much for being in here. Here we go. We break out of this flag on XRP. We go to 118.92. Guys, right there, 118.92. We go there. There's another pattern in play here, just like there is on Bitcoin, guys. What is it? Here it is, right? Here it is right here. It is an inverted head and shoulders, guys. It is slanted, right? Inverted head and shoulders. So we have a bull flag into an inverted head and shoulders. Can we come up here? Heck yeah, we can, right? 1.22 liquidity. There we go. Here we go. Skyman, thank you. Copycats are active. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, let's go to Omi, Blake. Omi. Let's take a look at Omi. I haven't taken a look at that in a while. Here we go. Shoulder. This is the head. This would be the right shoulder. We pop out of that bull flag. We pop out of this inverted head and shoulders. We can go up quite a ways. Here we go. First target. First level is right here on XRP at 118.67. Greetings from down under. Hail, good morning. Nice to see you. We break this level at 118.67. Where are we headed to? We're headed to the first target, 118.92. That is the target of the bull flag on the 7 minute, right? We break up and over this at 118.67, and we break that target of that bull flag on the 7 minute. We can get up to here, and guess what? Skyman, 122 liquidity, says Skyman. Look at where that target is, guys. Skyman, telepathy, right? My target is at 122. It is exactly where Skyman is saying there's liquidity. If this wants to pop up, that is where it's going to. Google, Microsoft, IBM, driving hard. Meet your leading blockchain architects. There we go, Farrell. Are you expecting lower lows coming on BTC? Yes, I am, doggy. Right? This, we got sorcery. There we go. We flex. Guys, there it is. Me and Skyman have the same exact target, right? Rerouting oil around the strait through Indo. Crude trade is looking sus. Uh-oh. Multiple bull dips, low time frames. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go, guys, on XRP. Here's the bigger picture. Let's go up to the higher time frames. Right? 7. Uh-oh. You know what I see here? Guys, guys, I see something even more bullish here. What do I see here, guys? Anyone see what I see here? Put it in the chat. What pattern do you see here that could break us out even more? Anyone know? Put it in the chat, right? Multiple bull dips, low time frames. Rabbi, thank you. The assistant, Joe Cluxton, Money Talk, thank you for the gifts. On a bag coin. No, Pat, that's not it. That's not it. Cup and handle, close. Cup and handle, inverted, close, guys. Something even more bullish. One of my favorite patterns. What is it, guys? Anyone know? Right, here we go. I'll tell you. It is an Adam and Eve double bottom. Here it is. Adam bottom, Eve bottom. Look at the confluence, guys. Right? Look at the confluence. Here it is. Diamond was a good guess for sure. Actually, it may be a diamond as well. But guys, this right here, Adam and Eve double bottom. Here we go. One of the best patterns ever. Why they break up to the target more often than not. A and E. Your favorite is a diamond. You got it. One of my two favorites. Adam and Eve double bottom and the diamond pattern. Both my favorites. Adam and Steve says Cosmic. You got it. I saw it. I'm so stoked. Yelling in the car. Let's go, lady. Right? Here we go, guys. We break up to this. Here is the pattern up. Here is the pathway up. Now, we start flipping those lower time frames to the bottom. I'm going to give you that too. I give you the bullish and the bearish case every single day. Why? Because I don't know exactly where we're going. Here we go. Adam bottom. Eve bottom. How do we measure that, guys? We measure that here. This is mathy math, right? But if the Stokes don't agree and they start rolling over on the lower time frames, and then they roll the mid. Oh, good morning. I am Ray Todd. Guys, give him a follow. He is the mod for Blockchain Bully, who does a show every single Sunday with Caveman Fantasy and Crypto Weewo. I am Ray. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here. Here we go, guys. You measure an Adam and Eve double bottom from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the bottom, and you drag this out. Look at this math right here. We have a bull flag on the 7 minute, leading us into an inverted head and shoulders on the 7 minute, leading us into an Adam and Eve double bottom. We break this level right here at 122, which is where that liquidity is. Guess where we're headed? Oh, guys, look at the confluence, right? Look at the confluence. We break this level, we're going straight to this resistance. Guys, that is not a coincidence. Tap and share the live, please. Guys, thank you to my mods, the assistant, Rude Boy, Eric Watson, Money Talk, Lady Long Term. I'm trying to think, guys. I lost my Rude Boy, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Cosmic Crypto. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. I appreciate you. Jamie Ladner, nice to see you. Huge gap between 142 and 2.197. Guys, where are we headed? The Stokes are now rolling over, right? So that is the bullish case. We've got a bull flag into an inverted head and shoulders, into an Adam and Eve. Are we going to wreck this setup right now? That is what we are looking for. Let's take a look on the downside. I'm going to take a look at the 1 hour to see where we are headed. Cruz, can't believe that Bitcoin was so $3 before. How did it crash? I don't know. Guys, I'm yelling so loud that my watch has told me that I'm in a loud environment, and I have headphones on. How crazy is that? Short everything, says Jay Dan. Guys, Jay Dan is in the house. He hates when I tell people to follow him, but I'm going to tell you anyway. He is a great chartist and a TA specialist and a trader. Give him a follow. He does lives every single night. We are opposite. I do mine in the morning. He does his at night. Give him a follow. He hates when I say that. Nice to see you, Dan. Nice to see you. Blake goes, woohoo! I mean XRP. Yeah, XRP. Hopefully I can regain my capital and go back to the stock market. Crypto is too crazy for me. Mr. Slippers, it's probably going to get crazier. But guys, when it gets crazier, that's when our bags go up. There's a weekly bullish divergence forming on XRP. Let's go. Here we go, guys. We're going to take a look at the 1 hour. I don't like this, though. I don't like this at all, right? The 1 hour is now rolling over to the downside. Stokes are overheated and rolling down. I pinned him so you can follow him. Guys, follow Jay Dan. He is pinned, and he will love that. He loves the follows, right? BTC, what is happening? Here we go. Guys, I don't like this at all, right? 1 hour Stokes are getting hot. RSI is pointing down to the downside. Don't follow me, he says. Guess what? They will, right? They will. Pepe is ready. I don't know about that. Guys, these alts are going to fall right now if Bitcoin likes to take a big dump, right? If it wants to take a big dump, alts are going to fall. And this is what I'm seeing here. Here's your downside. I just gave you the upside and the upside levels. Here's your downside. Actually, I'll give you the levels now. First level to the upside, 118.65. Next level to the upside, 121.42. Next level to the upside, 127.24, guys. Those are your levels to the upside. Here's your levels to the downside. I will do hype next, right? ZBCN, please. Guys, we're going to try to get through as many as possible. I am going to go through them in order today. But Richard, hopefully we'll get there. Guys, what am I seeing right here? I'm seeing a bear flag. Here it is. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. If we are unable to get up and over this diagonal resistance right here at 118.65, guess what? We're coming down. There's a gap below 111, 271 cents. Skyman, you're such a G. Thank you. Joe Cluxon, the assistant. I am Ray. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Here we go. We are rolling over on the Stokes on the 1 hour. We do see a bear flag here, guys. Here are your levels to the downside. First level to the downside, 117.33. Skyman just said there's a gap between 111 and 71 cents. The assistant, thank you. Right? Here we go. We breached this level right here at 117.40. Guess what? We're most likely breaking this bear flag down. We have support at 114.28. That's your next level to the downside. 114.28. Here's your next level, guys. It is right here at 111.37. And Skyman, look at that confluence, right? There's a gap between 111 and 71 cents, guys. We bleed 111. We're getting into a volume gap that could take us down much further. Buckle up, guys. I think we're rolling over, right? I think we're rolling over. Here we go. We're going to go down to the 30-minute and the 15-minute, 45 minutes. Pharaoh, what are you seeing? Here we go. Actually, we've got a little flip up, guys, and we do have this bull flag here. We know that this bull flag could pop us out. Bond sellout is close to triggering. Yields on impressive down. Downside imminent on trigger. Guys, listen, right? There it is. Pharaoh's telling you as well. XRP is in critical support. It could either blast off or plummet with these huge gaps. Guys, listen to Skyman. Pharaoh is telling you bond sellout is close to triggering. Yields on an impressive drive. Downside imminent on trigger. There we go. Guys, thank you for the follows. I'm Chelsea on the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you are here for the first time and you haven't followed me, please follow me directly from the live. Click my photo, follow me directly from the live. I have a lot of copycats. You will they will try to scam you in your DMs, guys. All right? Show us BTC, active energy. I'll do it at the end, right? Let's see proof of profitability. I know you're new here because I don't show that. And I also don't trade live on here, right? And I will never. I may trade live on here at some point, but not now. Not for a very long time. And I will never show my P&L. Why? Because there are a lot of people that are on here, right, that take a P&L and they will copy my trades based on my P&L. And guess what? Right? Not a great thing. Typical. I love much love to you. Thank you so much for being in here, right? Thank you so much for being in here. I hope you stay because what I do here is teach charting. That's it, right? You want to learn trading and get in my group. But otherwise, we are here to learn charting and to learn where the charts are going. That's it, right? Guys, we do have a little lift up on the RSI. I am skeptical when we watch for the wicks. They will throw us into violent chop. Stay vigilant. Guys, listen to Pharaoh, right? Just listen and watch it happen. You'll know she's on point. Thank you, We Flex Different. It's none ya business. Exactly, Pharaoh. Exactly. Facts are facts, right? States have much lower gas prices. Guys, here we go. You know the levels, right? We break out of this bear flag to the downside. Right? 45-minute is giving us a little push on the RSI. Is the 30-minute? No. The 30-minute is not. 30-minute. Rolling over on the RSI. Might hit the reverse button on my ton. Lady long-term, be careful with the reverse button. Don't do it. Right? You lose a lot of money using the reverse button. What you want to do is you want to close it out and then restart your trade. They charge you massive fees to do that. And they close it whenever they want. Be careful with the reverse button on exchanges, guys. Right? Guys, I trade on Bitunix. If you want to join Bitunix, it's in the banner at the top of my screen. I do have a invitation code. If you want to use that, you get a 20% bonus. I know there are a lot of traders in here. Guys, try Bitunix with my code. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. It works both ways. If you are a VIP on any other platform, we can get it for you there. It is bitunix.com. If one of my mods could there it is. Thank you, assistant. I appreciate you. There it is, guys. If you want to join with my code and leverage trade on crypto, gold and silver and crude, you can do that on Bitunix. They are my primary exchange. There we go. Right? Guys, here we go. We are rolling over on the Stokes. And guess what? RSI has some slumpage on the 30-minute. What are we doing on the 15? We are in some chop, Pharaoh. Right? We're in some chop. You'll live with the gas prices. Guys, here we go. We are heavy and overheated on the 15-minute. We are flattening out on the Stokes, right? What we need to do is we need to break this diagonal trend line. Guys, we don't. We are coming down because it is a rising wedge. Here it is right here, right? Here it is right here, and we see a bear flag. Never mind the rising wedge. We see a bear flag, right? Guys, this is not a great look, right? Not a great look. There it is right there. If we fail this level right here at 117.31, and then we fail this one down here at 116.44, we are breaking down that bigger bear flag, right? There it is. Uno reverse. One more flush, and the bottom is in, says J Dan. There we go. Where's that flush going to go to, J Dan, though, right? Wait till you get back to BTC. Is it falling or rising? What are we doing here, Blake? What are we doing here, Blake? Right? What are we doing? Here we go. We are rolling over on the 15-minute. What are we doing on the 7? 55 BTC. J Dan, there we go. All right, I'm saying 58, then 43. Guys, me, J Dan, pretty close, right? Guys, that means the bottom is not in, right? 55, be careful with your trades here, right? I see some more heavy downside. So does J Dan, right? SpaceX IPO is on the board on brokerages officially. The drain begins. Guys, be careful. Wait till you go back to BTC. What is it doing, Blake? Is it rolling? Is it rolling? Right? Here we go, guys. 7 minute. We are now overheated. Look at the RSI. We're rolling down on the Stokes. Guys, this looks more like we popped out to pop down. That's what this looks like. However, yeah, look at 5 minute is rolling over. Here we go. We're rolling over right here. We have got to break these two levels right here. Here are your levels on XRP to the downside, right? It does look like we are coming down here. Rising. Is it rising? BTC breaking out 64,307. There we go, guys. What did we say for Bitcoin? What was that? 64.9, right, is where the liquidity is. We need to get up and over that, right? If not, it's just a liquidity grab to the upside. Here we go. We are rolling over right here. We are rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI, but if BTC breaks out, we can go. Blake told me this morning we were going to have a pop, and guess what, Blake? Killing it, right? Here's your levels to the downside on XRP. First level to the downside, 117.31. Next level to the downside, 116.23. And the target of the bear flag at 111.35. And guys, if we get to 111.35, we are most likely shooting for 71 cents. There is a gap there. ARB and PICE still matching the volume profiles. Let's go, Phil. I will take a look at ARB today. Let's take a look at ARB. Guys, I got to take a drink. I'm sorry. Let's take a look at BTC. Then we're going to go to some more alts. I did run through BTC pretty fast this morning, so we have a chance to take a look at it. Let's take a look at what's happening here. Guys, all right, here's the thing. Let me just see if I had my lines wrong. Yeah, I might have. Okay, guys, here's the thing. BTC is breaking out. Right? We know that there's liquidity right here at 64,966. Be still, my beating heart. ETH is joining the drive today. Let's go, Farrell. Right? What I will say is this. 5 minute is looking to roll over. We know where we are in. Excuse me. We know that we are in a rising wedge. Right? We know that we're in a rising wedge. Do we think that it's a coincidence that this goes right up to the resistance? No. Right? No, we are rolling over on the 5 minute now. What are we doing on the 7, the 15, the BTC to 68 to 70 before she comes back? Yeah, I can see that too, J Dan, but we got to get up and over 64.9. We got up and over 64.9. That 70K is in sight, although there are many levels of resistance on the way up. So for me, we have to get way above it. We need to get up to 68.8. We need to get up and over 68.8. Stokes are registering the added trading volume. Slightly inaccurate today. There we go, Farrell. Thank you. Appreciate that, guys. Follow Farrell Candles. She's starting to make content, and it's so good, right? And it's so good. Here we go. Stokes and RSI are rolling over on the 7 minute. Let's check the 24 minute, right? Rolling over on that. I didn't want to add a custom interval. There we go. We are rolling over on that as well. I am guessing the 1 hour is still pointing up. And if that is, guys, weird time frames to suss it out. That's what I was trying to do there, Farrell, right? We've got a money flip on the 1 hour, guys, to the downside, right? Guys, everything is going to be a little bit confusing today. 46 million liquidity at 65K. There we go. Farrell now needs to do a live yet. Next, I've been trying to push, right? The assistant, thank you. Guys, thank you so much, the assistant. Money Talk, Rude Boy, Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, B-Rose, Dream to Action. Thank you to my mods, guys. They're fire, right? Here we go. 1 hour. Rolling over. 2 hour. Looking like it wants to roll over, guys. This is not looking great. Let's take a look at the 12 minute. 12 minute. Rolling over heavily. We know that we are in a rising wedge here, guys. This breaks this. This does not look super bullish to me, guys. Right? I hate to say it. It does not look super bullish to me. I may be wrong. We may shoot right up from here, but this is looking more like it was a bump up to, yeah, look at all these time frames. Guys, 7 minute. We are rolling over heavily. 8 minute. Here we go. We're going to look at the weird time frames, right? Here we go. 15 minute. Rolling over here. 30-minute. Rolling over here. Guys, there goes Circle. Seeing serious downside drive from the trade volume. Note that. Phil, what does that mean for crypto? Right? Special guest. Good morning. Yeah, we need a special guest with Phil. Here we go, guys. We have a money flip on the 1 hour. We are going to let this go, right? And we're going to go to some of the other alts because right now we need to see if it breaks up and over this level right here at 64,929 or down here or breaks this rising wedge right here, guys. Breaks this rising wedge at 63,739. Breaks the rising wedge, guys. We're coming back down here at 62,561. There we go, right? Let's go to Hype. Let's go to Hype and see what Hype is doing here, guys. Let's see what Hype is doing. Do I have Hype up here? All right, let's get. It's Thursday. You never know. It could be a green day into Friday, into Saturday. Yeah, exactly. Black Friday level shopping day today. Massive trade volume increases the chop like none other. 'Tis the North Sea out there. Yeah, it is definitely confusing. We need to break resistance or support right now for us to know where this is headed, right? That's why I'm going to leave it here. We're going to let it go, right? We're going to let it go. We're going to go to some of the alts. They may have a little bit of a clearer view. Right? I don't mind charting the chart. However, we need to break one of those levels. You guys let me know if we break one of those levels. Right? 208 people in the chat, guys. Thank you so much for liking the live, for sharing it out, for talking in the chat. I appreciate every single one of you. BTC is heading to 50K, maybe. Right? Let's do Hype, guys. And then we'll actually take a look at ETH today. Here we go. Let's take a look at Hype. All right, guys. Hype looks like it's in a big bear flag to me, right? However, we can push if everything else wants to. We do have a bull flag inside of a bear flag on the hour, guys. Money makers are sweeping each side on the chop. They wreck the newbie scalpers like professionals. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Guys, what do I see here? I see a big bear flag on Hype. Here it is. Here's the poll, right? Here we go. How do you measure a bear flag? Here's the poll. Here's the flag right here. Guys, you take the poll. You bring it to the supposed breakout. Now I'm going to show you the bullish and the bearish case. Watch for wick outs. Guys, she's telling you. They're trying to get us out today, right? They're wicking us both ways. We are going to try to see through the window of what they are doing. And what we see right here on Hype is that window. With how many people are sure we're going down, we're going up? Yeah, guys, I don't know, right? I don't know. Look at the rollover on the 1 hour. We do have some curvature on the RSI though, guys. Here we go. We break down from this level. Here's your levels on Hype. We break down from 66.42. Where are we headed to? Next level to the downside is here at 63.732. Next level to the downside, 59.69. Don't get skittish. Don't play into the scalp trap. Don't enter in the middle of anything. Guys, I said it. Pharaoh's saying it. Do not enter trades right now. It hasn't decisively broken resistance, key resistance, or support. Guys, there's 202 people in here. I know a lot of you are new. If you haven't followed me, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. They will try to scam you in your DMs. It is more a safety thing than a follower count thing. Please follow me right now. This is my only account, right? Click my photo, follow me directly from the live. Thank you for being here. Say hi to me in the chat, right? Hey, Nate, thank you for the follow. Here we go, guys. We're either breaking down this bear flag or we are breaking up this bull flag within the bear flag. Here it is, guys, right? This is how they're trying to trick us. I'm going to long everything I have, B-Dogs. Don't do it. Don't do it. D-Handicap Camp, thank you for the follow. Here we go. Hi, Real Hope. Here we go, guys. We got a bull flag inside of the bear flag. When do they like to do this? When they are chopping us around. Here it is. You pull this from the top of the pull to the bottom of the pull. Pull this to the... I can't pull it. Pull this to the supposed breakout. Guys, we break out of this level right here at 657. We are going to the target. What is the problem with this target right here? Prisoner Beauty, nice to see you. Guys, what is the problem with this target here? You have to be in at like 7:30 this morning like I was going to be enjoying this pump. Treasuries and banks bull driving to the sunset. Flow is in. The institution, says Farrell. Guys, we break this level right here at 68.50. Where are we headed to? On height. We're headed here at 70. 1, 2. The problem with this is we are in no man's land. Guys, there is no secondary pattern. What is that telling us? More than likely, it is a fake out to the upside, even if we do pop out of this bull flag. Right? Chicken, thank you. Right? They stopped the war. I've been buying spot. It goes lower, even better pricing. Right? Here we go, guys. We pop up here to 70.044. Did they stop the war? Have they stopped the war, Complex? Hype in a gap could fall to the bottom at 61.85. There we go. Here's the levels, guys. Right? The 1 hour is looking like we want to roll over. What is a 30-minute looking like? Guys, we're freaking hot on the lower time frames. You got to watch out. They're trying to fake us out. I'm genuinely not sure how it's going to move now. I have no clue. Right? Did they stop the war? Is that a thing? Complex just said that. Is that news? Right? News we need to know if that's what's happening. Right? Here we go. We are rolling over to the downside on the 30-minute. If the war is stopped, we may get a big pump here. Right? Dadsick, thank you so much for the follow. We are rolling over on the 15-minute, guys. Right? We're hot on all these time frames. Here we go. Peace on earth now, says the real hope. Maybe we are tilted up here. I think this bull flag is going to pop us out. Guys, we get up and over this level at 68, 61. We're most likely headed here. Be careful there. Israel and Lebanon signed a peace treaty. We shall see. Right, guys? We could get a big pop here. Let's see what happens. War is not stopped. There we go, guys. It's not. Right? Is that a big deal? Guys, can someone just verify this news for me? Someone who can verify the news. Old news. Per coin circle, Canton, Mr. STRC, Black, GS, ICE, JPM, all highs of the day by 2 to 5%. Here we go. Hell is real. Hell is, Blake, what are you saying? Can you let me know? It was yesterday or the day before. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. So it's older news. Okay. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels. It was yesterday or the day before. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. So it's older news. Okay. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels. Little curvature on the Stokes. Am I back, guys? Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? You guys hear me? Connor, thank you for the follow. Am I back? Can you guys hear me? Or did I pause? Yeah, okay, good. Thank you, Bucko. Here we go, guys. Ellie, one for freedom. JJM, thank you so much for the heart me's. Here we go, guys. Here are your levels on hype. First level to the downside, 66,341. So, Senora, there we go. There's a confirmed daily bearish divergence on hype. Guys, be careful, right? Rish, thank you for the follow. Here we go, guys. We break 66.34. Where are we headed to? Next level to the downside, 63.87. Skyman, thank you. Confirmed bullish, daily bullish, bearish divergence, guys, on hype. Here we go, 63.87. Next level to the downside is down here at 59.523. What is our next level, guys? It is our target of that bear flag. Here's the bear flag right here. Here's the pole. Here's a flag. We break down from that. Here's our target. It is 56.246. If we, I see it too. Hype has math to attend to. Yeah. What is our love your energy? Hi, Reese. Thank you. I appreciate you. I want it at $32, says B-Dogs. Let's see. We can get it there. May need to be at 80% if we dip in again, I think. Hell, I don't know. Here we go. Guys, we break this target right here at 56.246, which is the target of this bear flag. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. Here's the target. At 56.24, we break that. We're coming down here to this main support at 52.45. Gap between 59.33 and 46.39. There we go. There we go. Yay, Shauna. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you are here. Hater, this is not a recorded video. I'm sorry. I see you, though. Thank you for being in here. Guys, what are the levels to the upside? We're going to do those on the hourly. We do have curvature on the 4 hour, but if the 1 hour can't hold, we're in trouble, right? Here we go to the upside. We have a little bull flag in here. We break 68.489. Here's your first level. BTC 64.102. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right? We're coming down again. Right, Pharaoh? Let's see. We just can't hold it. The problem is that we are getting exhausted. Every time we try to pop up to a major resistance, we've been failing those again. That's not a great sign, right? However, we could get some power in here. I'm not against it, right? I'm at 46. I'll bite. Here we go, guys. We breached 68,489. Where are we headed? We're headed to this target right here at 70.11. We get up and over these moving averages on the 1 hour. We can get to here, which is your next level at 75.31.5. We get there. We have to get up and over this level at 78,673. There it is, guys. Hard week to get through. Yeah, it is, Marcus. Yeah, it is. Right? Guys, those are your levels on hype. Let's go to the lower time frames to see what they're doing. 15-minute. Hot. Right? Hot. But the RSI looks, guys, they are trying to fool us today. Right? Right? We're hot on every single time frame, but the Stokes are still curving to the upside. We still have a chance to pop that bull flag out, but what did we say? There is not a secondary pattern there. We would have to flag out to the upside to keep going up to this resistance level right here at 75.31. Okay? Excuse me for 1 second. All right, here we go. Hype bear pole math is perfect. She has lower numbers to visit for sure. But if you ask me, NFA, not financial advice, guys. High beams. There we go. Guys, let's go to, all right, we're going to knock some of these off my list here. Let's go to Ondo, right? Let's go to Ondo. What's BTC doing? We're going to flip back and forth today. Why? Because I didn't spend, oh, guys. Look at what's happening. Look at what's happening. Right here, right? Look at what's happening. We have touched the top of the rising wedge. Guess what's happening? We're coming down. And look at what this is right here, guys. 15-minute. Marcus, thank you. Right on time, says Pharaoh. Guys, the reason why we could see that this may be a fake out, right? Pharaoh was telling you. I was telling you as well. Strikes and release. Be careful here, guys. We don't know where this is headed right now, right? It's looking like it's coming down, but could they curve up? Yeah, they're trying to curve the Stokes right now. Let me check the hourly. Blake said to check the hour. Here we go. Guys, the hour's money flipping to the downside right now. We've got a money flip right here on the Stokes, and guess what? Here we go. Right? B-Rose is in the house. Give him a follow. He is a great creator, has a lot of good information, and makes super entertaining content. Thank you, B-Rose. Thank you, Shauna. I appreciate you. Here we go. Buy and hold. Yeah, Blake, the hour's money flipping to the downside. And now we've got the RSI curved and gap to the downside. Not a good look, guys. We fall out of that rising wedge. We're coming back down to here. Right here. Right? 62,551. And that's a third tap on this line. What do we say on resistance and support, guys? You tap anything too much, guess what? It weakens it. More than likely, we come down here again, there's an M pattern, right? Mine shows upside. Does it, Blake? How does it show upside on yours but downside on mine, right? This is a money flip. We were coming down. We money flipped to the downside. Now we're rolling over, right? On mine, it's coming down for now. Yields break, and we head into a hard, fast bull rally off bull VIX. Guys, be careful here, right? Benjamin, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. No clue. I'll take a pic and show you. Good. Let me see. TradingView is having trouble with the volume. Delayed. Uh-oh. We don't like that, right? We don't like that. Here we go, guys. Let's go to Ondo. BTC, looking like we're rolling over now for some time. We don't know for how long. Yep, VIX is active. Guys, the 15-minute is coming down. RSI 6 about to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside on the RSI, right? Here we go. This is why I said on the hourly, when we first got in here, I looked, and even though we were seeing some bullishness, the hourly had a cloud around the Stokes. When you have a cloud around the Stokes, that means to me it is weak. 6-minute bear dips. Guys, here we go. Short and mid yields are curling over. Yen broke already. VIX drive hard bull. It's a beach ball. Guys, they're popping it. Right? Here we go. I'm making a correction. Thursday is not going to be a green day. I believe it starts Friday. There we go, ARC. Always available to make a correction. Let's go to the 6 minute. Guys, look at this rollover. Right on time. Right? Here we go. We are now in an M pattern right here. We break this level right here at 63,630. Guess what? We're coming down here just by an eyeball. Right? We pump up here. We're pumping up out of that bull flag. We can go hard. Right? But right now, the 6 minute, the 7 minute, the 15 minute, and the hourly are all pointing down. All right? Let's go to Ondo. You guys know the levels. We break this level, 64,983. Or we break this level right here at 63,648. Or we break this level. Yeah, local support, 63,730, says Skyman. Skyman, you're such a G. Thank you. Right? 730 is local support, guys. That's right on the line. Skyman, we cannot get any more confident, right? It's pretty much right on the line. Right? Oh, that's so weird. Blake, thank you so much. Blake, I just saw your Stokes. They are headed up. Interesting. I don't know if one of us is lagging. I don't know which one. B-Rose, thank you so much for the gifts. Heat zones building down below anyone. Skyman, do we have a liquidity building below? 62,566. This looks like it wants to dump out to me. People could be waiting for June 16th. 382 fibs, says Skyman. Skyman, there we go. Right? There we go with the matching targets. Here we go, guys. Those are the levels, right? We break 64.9, going up, right? We break this right here at 63.7, we're going down. And then we break this level, 62.569. Guess what? We're coming down even more, right? There they are. Yell at me in the chat if we get to one of those. Let's get to the alt. Let's go to Ondo. Actually, I did Ondo yesterday. Let's do Omi. Let's do Omi. Blake's pick. Blake, let's do Omi. USD. I've already done Omi, but let's do it. Here we go. Do we not like this chart? Okay. Here we go, guys. Here's Omi. Here's a Blake pick. 62,260, 37 million. There we go. Guys, we have liquidity below us. And what's the liquidity above us? Skyman, thank you so much for providing those. I appreciate it. Right? Such a G. Guys, if you want to come learn how to chart and trade like we do in here, please click the link in my bio. My group is off TikTok. I teach in there every single day where you can unmic and ask questions and figure out the strategies. Melinda, thank you for the follow, right? Guys, if you want to come in there and you want to learn how to chart and to leverage trade or to just swing trade, come into our group. I am in there every single day teaching at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on Saturdays, you get me on Saturdays, right? I don't know if you want me on Saturdays, but you get me on Saturdays. Mateus, thank you. 62,260, 37 million. 64,834, 65,098. DXY gaining strength, not yet respecting the bear flag. Might be a bounce and not a failure. Guys, we got to watch this, right? We got to watch this. Here we go. Come hang out in our Skool, guys. Click the link in my bio. Come see it, right? How do you all watch this? Loud Cat, Sawmill. Good morning. Nice to see you. Right? You are a very good. Thank you so much, XDC. I appreciate you. I am very good because of the team in here, right? I can't do it without Skyman shouting out the liquidity, Farrell telling us what the VIX and crude and all of the other assets are doing. I can't do it without them, right? I can't do it without them. They are really throwing it at us today, guys. Macros are all over the place. Guys, I see clear more downside in crypto. That is what I see. So until that changes, that is what I'm seeing here. Okay? Let's take a look at Omi, guys. Here we go. All right. Guys, here's Omi. Oh, Blake. Blake. Let's go to the daily. He always likes me to go to the daily because he always shows me something on the daily, and I already see it right here, Blake. Right? Here we go, guys. If we want to take a look at Omi, what is Omi doing right here, right? We are in a massive, I think we're in a massive inverted head and shoulders, right? Are we? We're in a massive, really wonky W. This is OMIUSD, right? OMIUSD. Here we go. Also, guys, if you want to go and follow me on YouTube, I do drop these lives on YouTube every single night. So if you miss the levels, you can go there and get them. It is in the link in my bio. That is my link tree. You can go and follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you so much for being in here today. I don't like this. What I'm charting right here. I don't like the asset. I just don't like how I'm charting it. Hold on one second. Let's see what's happening here on OMI, guys. We are in a falling wedge. We broke out. Actually, we're in a descending triangle here on OMI, guys, I believe. Let's do this. It is a falling wedge. Okay, guys. Here we go. On OMI. This is what's happening on OMI. You just made me $5. Thanks, Christopher. Congratulations. Yeah, this is a hard one, Blake. Although I will say this, right? There's W patterns two ways, right? Yes, ma'am. Eric Watson. Metals drive broken. Yen euro decline. DXY recovers. Yields curling bearish. VIX bull. Guys, we said watch out, right? It's all over the place today. Right? And until we pick a direction and we break that resistance or that support, we don't know for sure. Crude is looking sus. Guys, I see more downside in crypto. Right? And why? Because we have fallen out of that bear flag on the daily. Not only that, but we have a bear flag on the 4 hour and the 8 hour as well. So if we don't get up over these key resistance levels, more than likely we are coming down. When the bull gets here, it will be strong. They delay on what crude does. Exactly, Farrell. Thank you. Crude is looking sus, she says. There we go. Guys, we are breaking out of this falling wedge to the upside, right? When we break out of a falling wedge, where does it usually go? Usually goes to the top of the falling wedge, right? Goes right back to where it came from. Here we go. We also have a couple more moves in here. I'm going to go to the lower time frames. Here we go. I'm going to go to the 8 hours so that we can see what's happening here. We broke out of the falling wedge. Crypto Angel, the assistant, thank you so much. Here we go, guys. Broke out of the falling wedge. What else do we have in here? We also have a W pattern starting here, right? 12-hour looks cuppish to a flag. Let's take a look at the 12-hour. Here we go. And crude might be a snap trap trigger to dump the whole kit and caboodle. Sus. Guys, I said Blake and I were talking this morning, right? And he called the dump. He called the pump. He was like, I think we're going to pump today. And I was like, I see more downside. I think this is why we are a hive mind in here. I tend to look at the higher time frames, like really, really higher, right? And then try to figure out what the money flow is coming into. Blake has a great eye for seeing where those pops are going to be. Farrell has a great eye on seeing where they're going to fake us out and where those traps are, right? And Skyman always has the liquidity. It is great to work with such wonderful people. Thank you. Here we go, guys. Let's go to the 12-hour. 12-hour looks cup and handle-ish. Oh, yeah, like cup and handle and breakout. I can see that, Skyman. Yeah, for sure. Guys, we are, here we go. We are building a W pattern here. Here's one hump of the W. Here's the other hump of the W. This is going to be your first major resistance here, right? At 0.0002116. For teamwork makes the dream work. You got it. Need Blake in my pocket. There we go. This is a very complex multi-asset setup for the FOMO new scalpers, I bet. Think like a bank, she says. Like I said, people made their longs at 7:30 this morning. Now they're taking the profits. You got it. Here we go, guys. W patterns. How do you measure them? You measure the W patterns from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the bottom, or the W. And you drag this out. Guys, look at that, right? Look at that. Here we go. First level is right here. This is going to be a little bit harder to chart. Glad to be working with you all. Blake, we're so glad to be working with you, right? Here we go. First level to the upside, 0.0002116. Where's our next big level to the upside? Guys, it is right here at 0.002681. What are we in, Blake, when we get up there? What are we in? We are in what? Price discovery, right? Price discovery. Once we get up here, we are in price discovery. Omi, on the daily, let's go to the daily and see what the daily is doing. Another one for the books. You got it, Blake. Here we go. We are pointed up on the daily and on the 8 hour here, guys. This is looking like it wants to run. We need to get up and over this level right here, right? Up and over 0.0002105, and then we can get to the 2.5 level. There we go. Another one for the books. You got it. Guys, let's go to Soul. Let's take a look at the DX. Guys, we're going to take a look at the DXY, ETH, and then Soul. Okay, and then we're going to go to the rest of them. I'm going to speed through them. I'm going to go from the 4 hour. Blake, I like the way that looks. I think there's other patterns leading up there. I got an amazing entry, says the Derek. There we go. Moodang indicator online today. BTC matching rollover candling. And guess what short I'm in right now, Farrell? Moodang, right? Moodang. There we go, guys. Moodang. Some of the higher cap alts are leading Bitcoin in some of these moves. If you get to see them and watch them, those are an indicator, right? Epic Chain. I can put that on the list. Marcus, I don't think I'll get there today. There are too many on my list, but we will get there tomorrow. The Derek is in the house, and of course, he got an amazing entry. When does he not? Support 382 fib 0.01680. Daily POC 04100. Strong support. There we go. Guys, let's take a look at the DXY. We're going to take a look at ETH. Why? Because ETH was moving differently yesterday. We did get a dump. Oh. All right, here we go, guys. Here's the DXY, right? We did come back down under here. I was saying we need to pop out of this bull flag. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We have faked out of the flag, and now we're back in it. Where are we most likely going to go on the DXY? Right? Long when everyone is freaking out. Here we go. We could go all the way back down to the bottom of the flag, guys. However, what do I see here on maybe the lower time frame? Crypto Angel, the assistant, thank you so much for the gifts. You see that little trappy trap? I do. And Farrell, it looks like it wants to bring us down to the bottom unless we can pop out of a lower time frame bull flag, which I also see right here, and we're holding on to the moving averages. Let's see what happens. What's more important, BTC or the DXY? Guys, they're both important. I see a bear flag here. I see a bear flag here, guys. This right here, here's the pull. Here's the flag right here. This wants to break down. This is starting our breakdown down to the bottom of the pattern. Now, whether we break out of the bear flag, the bull flag or not, is going to mean a big move, most likely, right? Can you please explain what the DXY means? The DXY is a dollar index, right? It's the value of the dollar. And as the dollar index goes up, crypto comes down because that means that people are running into safety, right? If they're getting into the dollar, they're not putting their money into high risk. And that's why the DXY means so much to us here in crypto, okay? We do look like we're rolling over, but do we have a bull flag on any other time frame? Let's see. Here we go. It does look like a bear flag to me. I have a star point at 99.03. 99.03, guys, she's got a star point. I don't see it right now because I don't have it mapped, but a star point is really strong support. You know what? I'm wondering, let's just go to the hourly. 4 hour. Is there a 4 hour bull flag? Let's take a look. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. And here it is, 99.03. All right, so she's got a star point at 99.03, guys. This would be all the way down here. This would mean that we would have to break this down. Yeah, Skyman, what a good look. Math matching a star point hit. There we go, right? There we go, guys. Thank you for the follows. NYC, nice to see you, right? Here we go. There is a bull flag on the 4 hour, guys. Here it is. We need to pop out of it. No, we don't pop out of it. We're breaking down a bear flag. Here it is right here. Here's the pole. Here is the flag. We hold on to either the 20 or the 50. Right here, guys. We can break out of this bull flag, and we have to be careful. We break out of this bull flag. We are also breaking out of a shoulder. Watch. A shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, which, by the way, would bring us all the way up to that target of the bull flag. Now we're holding BTC. It's game on. With how we're holding BTC, it's game on. Let's see. It's resistance at 99.03. There we go, guys. Right? There we go. Let's go to ETH. Let's take a look at ETH. What are we doing on BTC? Let's take a look. let's take a look on BTC, guys. I know we're jumping back and forth today, but guys, this is what we got to do in shop, right? Hi, CMC. Nice to see you. JJ Official, thank you so much for the follow. Blake says, with how we're holding BTC, it's game on. Let's see what happens. Guys, thank you for the follows. I appreciate you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being in here. Smokin says, is USDC's dominance more important? They're all important, right? They're all important. Your mic is clipping, emoking. I know. Everyone tells me that. I have no clue what clipping means, and I don't know how to fix it. So it sucks. I think it's probably because I'm yelling into it, right? Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at what BTC is doing right now, and then I'm going to go to ETH and Sol. Okay. Look at Lab. What's Lab? B-Rose, I would love to, but I have so many on my list, I'm probably not going to be able to. Exactly why. Oh, because I'm too close to the mic, emoking? Is that why? They work like a helix and affecting each other, right? Space has IPO dropping soon. There we go. Robbie Trades, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at the 15-minute and see what the 15-minute is doing. 15-minute is still rolling, guys, right? It is this or this, sorry, right? We either break this at 63,795 or we break this level at 64.9. There we go. You're fired. Just kidding. Sorry, B-Rose. I would take a look at it, but I have so many on my list, I don't think I'm going to get to it. I appreciate you, though, of course, right? Thank you. They work like a helix, all affecting each other. There we go. There we go. Right? Farrell, thank you. Skyman, thank you. Right? Bagman was in here for a second. That thing is going to drain so many assets. Elon special rules suck for every grandpa I know. There we go. Guys, let's go to ETH. Right? Here we go. Let's go to ETH and let's see what ETH is doing. Maybe it'll give us a little bit of better of a picture of what's happening with y'all. I have to go to the daily, guys. Oh, my feet. Sorry. All right, here we go. I hope ETH hits 1,500. Let's see what. Yeah, guys. ETH is looking bearish, right? And I'll tell you why. Here we go. Daily. We are falling out of what, guys? We're falling out of an M pattern. Sorry, it is an Adam and Eve double top that we're falling out of on ETH. That thing is good. Yeah. ETH gap between 1755 and 1578. You should also go YouTube Live. Guys, I am going to start YouTube, I think, on Monday. Right? This is a great song. Exactly, Hundreds. Nice to see you. Guys, he's got a great merch line if you're looking for some cool athleisure wear and everyday ready to wear. He's got a great line. Go ahead and click on him and follow him. Guys, I will be going on YouTube very, very soon. So please, if you are here, I'm going to do some of my stream on here, and then we're going to move over to YouTube so that I can get people to come with me because I know it's hard to actually switch platforms. Please follow me after the live. Go to my bio, and in my bio is my link tree. Please go follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. That would be awesome. Please do that so that if this app ever goes down or something happens, I have an alternate place to teach, right? Here we go. What are we falling out of on the daily? On ETH, guys, this is why I see more downside. We are still dripping down on the daily Stokes and the RSI. We are not lifting up enough to go. Here we go. Adam top, Eve top. An Adam and Eve top is a triangle top with a rounded top. How do we measure that, guys? We go from the top of the highest part of the top to the bottom trend line, and we drag this to the supposed breakout. Where is this target guide? 1641. Where do I have limit order set? 1600, right? Here we go. We bleed this down. We're going to go to the lower time frames. But right now, we are bleeding this down right now. I'm going to take this volume profile off, guys. It's distracting. Here we go. BTC to 50K, I think. Oil high, interest rate cuts delayed, bad for crypto. There we go, guys. Right? There we go. Let's take a look at the 8-hour, the 4-hour. Let's see what's happening. Guys, see what's happening here? The higher time frames are holding us down. I'm sad for NEAR. It's not behaving the way it should institutionally, or they leave it alone. Oh, gosh. Let's go, says Rude. Guys, this is what we're seeing. See the Stokes right here? I'm on the 8-hour now. The daily Stokes are dripping out to the downside. We are trying to curve up, but we cannot. And the RSI is gapped here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour. Are we building a bear flag, guys? Right? Are we building a bear flag? The 4 hour wants to hop up here. I will say that. Let's take a look at the 4 hour and the 1 hour and see what it's doing, guys. I do see a little bear flag in here, guys. However, we hop up. Where does ETH have to get up and over? There is only one place that ETH has to get up and over, which is why they would leave. It's a good protocol for compliance. There we go, near. Guys, Farrell's giving you the deets on near. Gaps below, 1530 to 1272, 1193, 311. Yikes. Guys, Skyman's hitting you with the gaps. Gap at 1530 to 1272 and a gap between 1193 to 311. The assistant, Crypto Angel, thank you for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Let me reset the room. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if you are brand new in here, would you say hi to me in the chat? And please follow me right now from the live. This is my only account. I have 600 copycats. They will try to scam you in your DMs. You will not be able to find me afterwards. Blake says, we have a pump incoming. Let's see, right? Let's see. Hi, Real Hope. Hi, Sunny Montoya King. I love that name. Nice to meet you. Hi, new here. Assistant, no you're not. Spartacus, thank you. B-Rose, thank you. Here we go, guys. We have a lift up on the 4 hour. What does ETH have to get up and above, guys? There is only one level that matters. It is 2027, right? 2027. We do not get above that. We are bearishly retesting this level and coming back down. ARB, on the other hand, she's giving BTC vibes and also a top compliance math. There she goes, guys. Feral candles. There we go. 4 hour looking like we want to pop up. What is the 1 hour looking like? Here we, oh no. Guys, no. 4 hour is rolling over again, right? 4 hours rolling over again on the Stokes and the RSI. RSI 6 wants to push through the 12 and the 24. B-Rose, thank you for lighting me up. I appreciate you. Guys, thank you for tapping your screen, sharing it out, being in this live every single day. I am not here without you. Many copycats got 4 bullish babes that followed me from watching the live. Joe Mama, exactly. I'm so sorry. I can't do anything about it. I study the flow so I can find it and capitalism the shit out of it, says Farrell. Farrell, you just made me swear on the live. Does that mean I have to give money to the swear jar? I hope not, right? Guys, here we go. We're rolling over on the Stokes. What do we see here? Guys, we roll over right here. We are in a bear flag. Are we in a bear flag on a higher time frame? Let me check, guys. Let me check. It must be on a weird time frame. Yeah, there it is. Guys, there is a bear flag here, and it's on a weird time frame. It's on the 6 minute. See this? This right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag right here. Actually, pennant. Here's the flag right here. Guys, there it is. Right there. We start breaking down this. Again, we're coming here at 1612. There it is. Feral candles of the VIX. Whoop, whoop. I know, Feral, you can't make me swear on this live, right? Especially you. Swear jar. 2061 macro point of control. High volume nodes are strong resistance, guys. 2061. Skyman. I'm at 2024. He's at 2061. That is a macro point of control. High volume node. Strong resistance. I love that I have 4,000 bullish babes following me. That's every follower I have. No, it isn't, B-Rose. There we go. That is such a baby drop, too. The math is clean. Guys, Farrell's telling you the math is clean. This could be a swift drop to the downside. It's even timely, for gosh sake. There it is, guys. Mods are fast today. Guys, thank you to my mods. Right? They're fire every single day. Assistant, Rude Boy, Money Talk, Eric Watson, Lady Long Term, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you for being my mods in here. You guys are killing it, right? Killing it every single day. We've got a bear flag here on ETH, looking like we want to break down again, right? Again, guys, right? Look at the 7 minute even slumping over. 7 minutes slumping over to the downside, right? What is the 15 minute doing? SCJ, thank you. We do have a little bit of curvature here. Could we pop out of a little bull flag to the upside? Yeah, we could. Here's your levels on ETH, guys. Level to get above is here at 2027, right? 2027. Better have the swear jar than a bar of soap. Oh, me too. The bar of soap is the worst, right? Was the worst. I didn't get it done to me, but I know people that did, and they were not happy with it. Meeting over on back. Are we still dumping? Looks like we're coming down, but we don't know quite yet. They're wicking us either way right now, YOLO. Nice to see you. Good morning. Here we go, guys. That's your level to the upside. What is our level to the downside? We have some support right here at 1734. We fade that level. We are breaking a bear flag down to the downside on ETH, guys. We are coming down to 1611. That is where we're going to run to, okay? ETH, unlike a lot of the other alts, does not have a ton of support or resistance, right? We have the resistance and the support levels are very far apart. That is the difference on ETH. When we go, we go, right? When we go, we go. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at Soul. What time is it? Time check. 11. Guys, I think I'm going to make it through some of these. Let's take a look. All right, let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Can you guys hear the music still? The music up? I don't know if it's too loud. Quantum and memory drives, but in good health. Tech is seeing the beach ball both side of the sweep. There we go. There we go, guys. Listen to Farrell. She's got it every single day. Here we go, guys. Let's go to Soul. What's Soul doing today? Dumping? Let's see. Let's take a look at the recovery looking a lot like the way down. Uh-oh. We got a recovery here, Blake? Yeah, jamming today. Let's go. I'm so into you. There we go. Right? Typical girly playlist, Marcus. Yeah, I had to throw, actually it's not, but I had to throw a little bit of Mariah Carey in there, right? It's old school. The markets are recovering. Dump might slow down here. Let's see, guys, right? Let's see what happens. Let's take a look at Soul. All right, guys, here's Soul. What do we have to get above, right? 8 hour. Right here. Actually, we're on the 6 hour, not the 8 hour. Let's go to the 8 hour. Fantasy is such a jam. Can't not sing along. Exactly. Right? Guys, we've got Farrell and Blake telling us the dump might slow here. Let's take a look and see if we can see it. Looks like a bear flag to me. It does. However, we do have a turn up, right? We're going to go to the 4 hour here. Girls just want to have fun. Yeah, that's not on my playlist. I'm going to put that on my playlist for tomorrow. Sitting here jamming, girl. Blake, let's go. Right? Here we go. Does it look like a recovery here? Yeah, it does kind of, right? However, could it be a little bit of a touch of the moving averages or a bearish retest of this level? Yeah, it could, right? I'm not a lady, but I'm jamming out. I love it, right? Here we go, guys. YOLO Travel, thank you. SCJ, thank you. B-Rose, thank you. Here we go, guys. Where do we have to get up and above? Here are the levels on Soul, guys, right? Actually, I'm going to go to the 8 hour to give you the levels. Why? Because Soul is looking like it doesn't have a soul right now, right? Soul's looking like it doesn't have a soul right now. I'm going to roll up to Bitcoin so I can see it. Here we go. All right, here we go. 63,887. Yikes. We don't get over 64. Not a good look. Here we go, guys. What is Soul dropping out of? It is dropping out of this shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. Right? We broke this level at 76.86. Where is the target? Right? We hit the first one. It was right here at 73.17. What is the next one, guys? It is down here. This is why I think that we have more downside, because every single asset has not even gotten close to the target. Do they always hit the targets? Soul falling into the gap. 34 is the bottom, says Skyman. Yikes. Here we go, guys. Don't believe any of this upside for crypto. VIX moving bearish, crude moving bullish. Here is the mouth, guys. Every single day on this channel, right? And it is because of Pharaoh and Skyman, a little bit because of me, and Blake, and the Bagman, and ARC. Thank you so much for helping us find out where we are going and what kind of traps they are. Imagine BTC recovers and we don't get alt season. That would suck, Blake. I think it's going to be the other way around. Also, where's the capitulation volume? Guys, here we go. Yep, exactly. Give yourself some credit, thanks. Yeah, guys, we're a team here, right? It's all that matters. All I'm hearing is screaming the one I know. It's a nightmare. And it's kind of it's something that I can't stop. I'm sorry. I try. Every day this week, the mouth of the bear has triggered the move. Guys, every day this week, we have come in here and tried to figure out where we are going. And guess what? By the end of the stream, we knew where we were going. You guys had levels and you could go, right? The hive mind is powerful. Woohoo screams. Soul forming weekly bullish divergence, but money flow needs a push. Guys, we need the money flow. All these lines are useless. Bitcoin is going to 35K and will be a bloodbath. CCKK. Here's the thing. If you had been in here and you just sat here and listened to me for a few minutes, you would know that my target is 38. So we are very close. I love it. They tell you trading gets boring, and it does, and you are so far from boring. It's awesome. Thank you, Farrell. You too. You okay, BB? You're just a passionate girl. There we go, V-babes. Right? Here we go, guys. This is why I came in here saying that I think we have more downside, even though we saw a pop. The problem is a lot of these alts dropped out of major patterns. Once they do that, it doesn't mean we have to go directly to the target. However, it does mean that when we are this far from the target and we're sitting on support right here, see this, guys? February 5th wick. We are sitting right there right now. If we fail that wick, that is our last support, like Skyman said, right? So now Passionate is going down. Guys, yeah, I'm Passionate going up or going down. Guys, February 5th wick. We're sitting right there. We fade that level to the downside. Understand, we do not have a lot of support down there. 39-1 meet you there, says Farrell. There we go. It is a triple bottom. Where do you see a triple bottom? I see a oh, are you seeing over here? Yeah, I think Blake's seeing over a little bit further. It is a triple bottom, Blake, but it's not looking great. Bagsy, thank you. Zena, thank you. The assistant, thank you. Right? Guys, why is it not looking great? This is why. All right? It's a triple bottom, says Blake, and he's right. Right? There is a triple bottom there. Why is it a triple bottom, guys? Because it's on a higher time frame. Right? It's making me money just now. There we go. Guys, we're going to have a trip off of that. This is why I am bearish. Look at the 4 week. Guys, sorry, not trying to be rude. Can you please lower your mic volume and the music off? It's too much. Sorry, J-Ro. This is how I roll. I'm sorry. I can't. Right? But you can turn your volume down on your phone for sure. And I'm not trying to be rude either, but it's not the majority in here. I have to go by the majority, right? And it makes me hype. You're making me money. 2 week money flow kissing the red. Guys, this is why I am bearish. Right here. We are rolling at the bottom of the channel of the 4 week. We are gapped on the RSI, and we are pointed heavily and aggressively down to the downside. Right? Oop, XLM may be curling to run. XRP weaker, but also Alco has hit it. Ondo is up and out. Let's go. Let's go. This is why I'm bearish. We have a massive rounded top. Massive. Right? That we dropped out of. And now look at this bear flag on the 4 week, guys. You can't deny that this is not looking bullish. Right? I made a post this morning about the signs that we have on Bitcoin that are not making anything look bullish right now. Guys, we're not going to minus 50, right? We're not going to minus 50. Are we pumping? 64,330. Yeah, there we go, guys. We're getting a little bit of a pump here, right? We're going to go back to BTC. So may be the last one that I do today, actually. My voice is killing me. What does a triple bottom tell you? It usually tells you we're going up, right? That tells you we're going up. That is a bullish sign. Blake, nice call on the triple bottom. Nice call on the triple bottom. Victoria Drake, there we go. Turn it up. I can barely hear you. There we go. Hear me, Tori. I don't know. Hey, it's me, Tori. Victoria, I doubt that's the real Tori Trades. But I do like Tori Trades, but I doubt that's the real one, right? Here we go, guys. We pumping. We're pumping. Here we go, guys. Soul. Here are your levels on Soul to the upside and the downside, right? Here we go. We are making a pump up here, right? Guys, here's your first level on Soul. We need to get up and above 76.84. We got up and above 76.84. More volume, more energy, more passion, more energy. You got it, right? I learned so much from everyone in here. Are you bullish or bearish? I am both, right? I am both. Here we go, guys. We get up and over here at 76.84. Then we can make a run to this level right here at 86.57, right? We don't get up and over this level. We're bearishly retesting it, and we are going to come down. Where are we going to come down to? 59.37. So you have no clue. RPS, nobody has a real clue, right? I can tell you minute to minute, day to day, month to month. That's it, right? That's it. Milk and Honey Consulting. Zena, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Let's take a look at BTC, guys. Bearish. Blairish. I love that. Skyman, I love that. Pump it up. Guys, here we go. Let's take a look at what we're doing here. All right, guys, we are pumping up. Are we not? Yeah, we are. We're pumping up, right? Hold on one sec, guys. Sorry.
It's kinda hard with you not around. Know you in heaven smiling down, watching us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you till the day we meet again.
Hold on, guys. Sorry.
My heart is where I keep you, friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed, strength I need to believe. My thoughts big, I just can't define. Wish I could turn back the hands.
All right, here we go. Sorry. Can you lower your voice a bit? I can't hear the music, says Oscar. I kind of love that so much. That wins for the best comment in the chat today. Can you lower your voice a bit? I can't hear the music. There we go, guys. Here we go. Are we hooking out here? Here we go. 8 hour. We're going to go down to the 4 hour. Who's got the baby oil? I know. This is Diddy. I'm sorry, guys. I had to do it. This is a good song. Diddy is a weirdo, but this is a good song, right? Get the oil out. Look at all the oil. DXY and crew still showing bullish strengths. Do not trust the upside yet, guys. You hear, Farrell? Do not. Your collection of songs is pure honey to the ears of the millennial generation. You got it. Let's go. I'm there. Still a tune, Debo, right? Here we go. Woo! Look at that pump, guys, right? Here we go. Let's take a look. Raminta, there we go. SCJ, everybody's getting the oil out. Facts were told, said Farrell. There we go. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. What are you saying? Thomas Fletcher, hey, how are you? Nice to see you. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am a loud talker. I am a long talker. I have a great crew and community, and they are all here today. Thank you so much to each and every one of you guys. I appreciate it. My friend says Bitcoin might hit around 40K. Cruise, I think they're right. Pyth is doing the most in the pump. She flying. Let's go. We're listening to it for Faith Evans and 112. Okay, people, says the assistant. She got it, right? Guys, thank you for being in here every day. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. You will get wrecked, right, guys? What we do is try to figure out the map of what the charts are telling us, right? That is all we do in here. Oof. Okay. The wicked wedges move closer. Let's go, right? Let's go. Hey, North Star. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels on BTC. My voice is waning a little bit today. So we're going to jump out of here a little bit early today so I can give my voice a rest. The wicked wedges move closer. There we go. And I'm sure it's going to pump heavily as soon as I get out of this live because it usually does, right? Here we go. Oh, Richard, I don't think I'm going to be able to do ZBCN. My voice is just, it's killed today. I'm sorry. We're going to have to do it tomorrow. I will start off with ZBCN tomorrow. I will start off with ZBCN tomorrow. Assistant, can you remind me? ZBCN, right? We'll start off on ZBCN tomorrow, guys. My voice is killed today. Usually does this by the end of the week, but today I have allergies too, and it's extra hard. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels on Bitcoin right now. Are we pumping up? Yeah, we are pumping up. 4 hour is pumping up hard, right? Let's take a look at the 1 hour. My edge always plays out, says the Derek. Oh, the Derek. I love that so much. I love this for you, right? I love this for you. Here we go, guys. What are we seeing right here? We are still in danger of falling out of this falling wedge. But however, what do I see right here, guys? I see a bull flag. It is right here. Actually, we already saw this bull flag. Here it is. It's right here, right? Here we go, guys. Here's the bull flag. Right? Here's the poll. Here's the flag right here. Thank you, Bear Market Bully, Milk and Honey, Assistant Zena. I appreciate you. Guys, we achieved the live goal together. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Here we go. We have a poll. Here's the poll. Here's the flag. Guys, we pop out of this bull flag to the upside. Where are we headed to? First level to the upside. Here are your levels to the upside, guys. Complex, nice to see you. Gyro, thank you. Guys, if you haven't followed me, follow me directly from this live, guys, or else you will get copycats. I have about 600, right? If you do not follow me right now, you will not be able to find me afterwards. It is a safety thing, not a follower account thing. It's BitScript. Change my profile. Have a beautiful day. Hey, North Star, nice to see you. Guys, here's your levels. First level to the upside, 64,933. First level to the upside. What's our next one? I mean, hate to say it. Hey, Complex. What are you charting? Walked away for a while. I'm back on Bitcoin. Second level to the upside. Here we go. 65,939. Right? Next level to the upside. Guys, we've got Cosmically Bullish today at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to come and join us, we have a lot of laughs. We have a lot of fun, and we share a lot of information. Come and join us today, 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It will be on Cosmic's channel if you follow him. Crypto Bags, thanks for the follow. Next level to the upside, 66,065. Right? Hal cut the bull. I don't know what bull you're referring to. Ain't no bull in here, right? Here we go. I'm not a bull. 3:15 p.m. Can't come quick enough. There we go. 65,931, 786 fib resistance. There we go. Skyman, thank you. Right? Next level, 66,391. Right? We've got 65,931 in there. That's the 786 fib. We might be going there. Third level to the upside, 67,397. Guys, the only levels that matter really right now are 68.9 and then 69,223. Guys, in my book, we don't get over 74,362. Very, very likely we are coming down. Yeah, Skyman, we just popped out the one hour flag. Yeah, that 1 hour flag is pretty hefty, right? Guys, there is a chance to come up here. It's whether or not we can get up and over the resistance levels and keep on going, right? And keep on going, all right? If we start rolling over here and we break this level right here at 62,672, guess what? We're coming down in this bear flag, which is on a higher time frame. Here's the target of the bear flag, 62,631. Second level to the downside, guys. We bleed that. We're coming down to the target of that bear flag at 59,376, right? Any rally will be lackluster. Do you guys hear him and do you hear me? Right? And do you hear Farrell? I don't know if Farrell's still saying that. Farrell, you still saying that? Guys, any rally right now will be lackluster. Why? Because the higher time frames are not giving in right now. The assistant, thank you. They are not giving in right now. They are rolling over to the downside and they are pouring out. That means we have a big, huge weight on top of us right now. Any pop, if it doesn't get up and over resistance, like I said, 74,362, we don't get up over there, guys. Any pop is superficial when we were coming down. And why are we coming down? It is right here. Right? I'm going to go up to the 4 hour to show you. Actually, I'll go up to the 8 hour. I think it's clearer on the 8 hour. Little California love, right? Here we go, guys. 8 hour. This is what the problem is. If this is not a hook right now, and this is not going to bring us all the way up here, right? Me too, Complex. Me too. If this is not a hook right here, and it is not going to bring us all the way up and over these levels, guys, there is a very, very good chance that this is a bear flag, right? That this is the whole pull. And by the way, we are in a bear flag on the daily. That this is the whole pull. That this is the flag right now, right there. And we are just coming up to this level to tap this level of resistance at 66,483 or here at 67,448. Yes, definitely. VIX and crude are patterning to take the upside just as fast as they showed it. Formix, W playlist, thank you. Guys, Farrell, me, and Skyman. All in agreement. BB, tell him to make it come down. Thank you, Primo. You in a short? Right? Guys, we're all telling you the same thing. Right? We're all telling you right now that this looks bearish until proven bullish, and it has not proven bullish. To end the bear run, we need a massive daily volume candles in liquidations to form daily and weekly bull divs. He is 100% right. So if we do not get up, and guys, the bear flag could even extend to here, 69.4. We could get up to here, and this could still be a bear flag. And that is just the top of the bear flag. And we are just coming up to then, guess what? Come down. All right? Here are your levels below us right now. Right here, first level to the downside, 62,482. Next is a target of a little bear flag that we were talking about at 59,343. Next level is down here, almost to the Skyman channel. I think a lot of people would be liquidated if it goes up now. Exactly what they're trying to do, right? Money leaving crypto markets to AI IPOs. There we go. I booked 99x leverage long from 61,460. There we go. Right? This is a small bounce, in my opinion. I think so too. 54,859. Bull is bouncing in the greater markets. It's just crude and bear VIX to overcome. Those are big, says Farrell. All right, guys. Those are your levels. Guys, we slip 54K. We're coming down here, and guess what this is? Skyman, any idea what this is? Skyman channel, right? Skyman channel. 53,065, guys, we get back in 53,065. We get back in this channel. Guess where we're headed to? 49K, right? Mid of the channel, and then down here at 46K. 46,877. Those are your levels to the upside and the downside, guys. Here we go. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna make myself big so I can make. Oh, I gotta refix that, right? What just happened there? There we go. I'm gonna make myself big. There I am. Look at November 5th. Sorry, I just turned off my screen. Skyman, I'm sorry. If we didn't bottom 58K-ish or 52K-ish will be the bottom in my opinion. Guys, everyone's trying to call the bottom. What I will say is this. Hey, Clocaine. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you for the follows. I appreciate you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being in here today. Guys, sorry I didn't get through a lot today, but I will say my voice is killing me. Derek Holmes, I want a God candle. There we go. Guys, if you haven't followed me and you've been sitting in here for this whole live and this gave you value, please do click my photo, follow me right now, hit the bell for notifications on my page, and follow me directly from the live right now. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I have about 600. If you type my name in after the stream, you will get copycats, not the real me. This is my only real page. So please follow me directly from the live if you've been in here this whole time. We haven't had that massive liquidation event yet with high daily volume. Exactly. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. A couple of business things before we leave. I have an off TikTok group, right? Max Payne is still ahead. I agree. I have an off TikTok group, guys. It's called the Level Up Crypto Community. If you want to join that, it is not a signals group. It is an actual, I may have found an actual perfect pattern. There we go. Farrell, let's go. It is an actual school. If you guys want to learn how to chart and trade like we do here every day, come jump into my school. It is 7 days free right now. Guys, come and join. I'm going to be in there in a half hour to teach a class. You can ask questions. You can unmic. We talk in there. It is not a signals group. It is to show you what the patterns are, what the strategies are, and how to maximize a chart to be able to see it for leverage trading, right? It is in the link in my bio if you want to join. Secondly, it broke down from the bear pennant. Dario leans. Exactly. Guys, here we go. I am also a Bitunix affiliate, right? I know everyone is talking about their own exchanges. I have used Bitunix for 2.5 years. They are my primary exchange. Beast, thank you for the follow. They are my primary exchange. If you in here, which I know a lot of you guys are, right? I know a lot of you guys have your favorite exchange. But we are giving away a 20% bonus for deposit on anything over $100 if you sign up with my link, Bullish Babe. Guys, and I know that a lot of you guys are leverage traders. Yeah, Bitunix is legit. Guys, not only is it legit, I've been trading there for 2.5 years. We have our own personalized rep. If you are a VIP trader on another platform, I can get you the same status on Bitunix. All you have to do is prove your trading volume, join with my code, and send me a DM. Or the assistant a DM, right? And we can get you that same trading. Why not trade on multiple exchanges, guys? You should be trading on multiple exchanges. This is just my primary, right? And if you're a leverage trader, this is a way to support my channel. Joining and leverage trading on Bitunix, or at least trying it out with my code. Please, first time, loved it. I learned a bit here, newbie. Sunny, I'm so glad you did. Nice to see you. There is no VPN needed on Bitunix. It is non-KYC. You can use it in the US and pretty much all other parts of the world, guys, right? And if you have a problem, we have a rep. So if you guys do leverage trade and you would want to support my channel and try Bitunix, use Bullish Babe in the invitation code. Go and try it today. 20% deposit bonus, guys. That means if you deposit $2,000, you get a $400 futures bonus back. That is a pretty big bonus, right? And we have trading competitions in there, and they just added a bunch of new tools. So if you want to do that, here it is right here. Guys, thank you to my mods first. Yeah, please don't send me a DM. Send it to the assistant if you are a VIP trader, or if you need anything else. Guys, a new fan, Sunny, thank you. I actually love your name too. Thank you so much. Can we reach 70K? Yeah, anything could happen, right? Guys, thank you first of all to my mods who are in here every single day volunteering and helping me out, right? The assistant, Rude Boy, Money Talk, Lady Long Term, Eric, Sarah, Shauna, J.E., Cosmic Crypto, Dream to Action, and B-Rose. Thank you so much. Secondly, thank you to my team in here, right? My team that helps me every single day try and figure out these markets, guys. That is Feral Candles, the Feral Candles, the Skyman, right? ARC, and Blake, the Blake, of course. Thank you so much for being in here and helping me every single day. And lastly, I have a second show today. It is every Thursday. Thank you, Rich Waves. I appreciate you. We didn't get to ton today. I'm sorry, Joe Mama. We will do that tomorrow. Guys, get in here early. Put your alt in early, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every morning. I have a second show today. It is with Cosmic Crypto. We do Cosmically Bullish every Thursday at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please come and join that show if you haven't seen it. We laugh a lot. We argue. We have a good time. We talk about current events, and I do charting on there. Come and join us today, right? I'm going to switch over. There we go. Guys, come and join us today. And lastly, just as Gangsta's Paradise comes on, I'm going to try to make it today. There we go, KB. I hope you do. Guys, live in gratitude, right? While Gangsta's Paradise is coming on. I say this every single day, and you guys are probably tired of it, but to be honest, it is what I believe, which is why I say it. And I believe that creators and people that have an audience should be speaking out and saying what they believe and making a difference. So that's what I do. We are put on this earth to serve every single day, right? And if we are not doing that and not helping others with what we have, then we are doing this life wrong, right? Every single day. We need to be doing something every single day for somebody else, whether that's just a phone call to somebody that you know needs support, or it is something bigger than that, right? Something little can be something big to another person, and that is what causes ripple effects in this world. And just like we say every single day, right? Yeah, there will be, Farrell. Just like I say every single day, right, guys? If you just take a look around this world, there are a lot of people, thank you, the assistant. There are a lot of people who are struggling in this world right now. Guys, some of us are more fortunate than others. We need to share that fortune with others, right? And this world needs a change. The only way that gets done, I know that we like to pass the buck to other people and say I'm just one person and I can't do anything about it. But guess what, guys? Little people add up to big crowds, and big crowds change the world. And if we can do that a little bit at a time, we can cause a ripple that is much bigger than just a one-person ripple, right? That is what I'm looking to do here every day. That is what we're looking to do as a community. Thank you for allowing me to pay it forward every single day. Guys, have a great day. Live in gratitude. I will see you hopefully at 3:15. Thank you to everybody in here. Have a great day. Bye, guys.